edeba Adom TV. Oba Jesus say ya wadioye. Na we eye nkranhye ya wo hwe wo somfo ni tekotego. Ene de so mame na ase. Na me nsra wo soro enhyira mawo se wanya mre abehame. Na abeyi ne de bia no enkoso ni empuntuo ene beka wo. Jesus say amen. Mate. Ene so ensem amede nam no bi ene ensem se enioma abeye na abrabo adimu na asafata eba na osikasemu eba na wapomodnemu eba na wawademu wadehwemu abraba na muntu a wutuo no ye wo akade bi wo ha se uhunu na no me no ka se abrabo a yebu no nioma miensa ene ye nyina ye semu ba ko yi se hwehunu experience. For most of us, our decisions are based on our experiences. Therefore, if our experience is negative, all our decisions are informed by negative experiences. If our experiences are positive, then our decisions are informed by positive experiences. The next thing is that our experiences are also informed by knowledge, theories from others. And then lastly, our decisions are informed by the wisdom we have. I would ask that let your decisions be informed by wisdom. Wisdom is applied knowledge and understanding. Nyansa, onyansani de okura na brabo adwene de obeye ho mpire no. Na obisa na wo se na tenka ebe eye papa. Se me de bibia ni susanso ne sen. Atenka manyai papa. Na me de ka bibi ana me ye bibia ni susanso ne sen. Anyone here, the wise always weigh their emotions before it affects their actions. Ebia no bia ka bibia kire ebia no akoti bibi nyansa bema wa sode asone so na wa pekwa betimi aka no anaye no na de mpunchuo abre nyinara. Wisdom will preserve you from taking hasty decisions. Nyansa ehya wo so ema wo fatimo pobi akeke emfa bubura ebato wana wo yebi nyansa be kura wa konode se akonode ne ba ebia na wo ya abrante wasi so wo kondo iPhone 13 and 14 se nyansa e otimu a na enye empo experience bi se o experience obi a you be so me too I want to be experienced, I want to be seen as having one. No, you begin to weigh the options, the benefits of using iPhone 13. iPhone no crown no so fast one say iPhone ameko to e be 10,000 20,000 can percent me 2,000 push adwuma bi mu ekofa boni wawu e de say me mpra no obi fi am ntom na watam 10,000 akoto iPhone na ekura ento di bedwam na the iPhone abona so hello onya call hello wo de kira mansan enu dwa emfa so emrewo nyansa be mo obisa ho say di ameko yi di ameko kan di amede me sika kotoe eso mfa so ba ni sen opani a wutie mi me ntwa wano anope ya na obeto na muntu a bisa ho se nyansa na muntu na metue na empo sabeta frache ya adwemfi ana muntu na metue obi a wo adwembi fi bia no abufo ye ne fe obi a o adwemfi bia aweraho ye ne fe enti adwemfi nti o ya wade ma weraho a na dwuma mu no so oya wade ma obuafu a na dwuma mu no oya wade ma watetia na dwuma mu no because sabe nyansa apare no adwemfi ena da na adwen proso ento de abufo ye ne fe ayira wo ye ne fe ena ebobo de ye ne fe ntina na montuo nyina ne se meye ema obi buafu meye ama obi raho meye ama obi ensase fom sabe adwemfi wura ena de mesrew obetimi a wonu ho kani wo fie a eya na wagya adwemfi ne kakra abrante na baba ne me no kasa be bia we adwuma bia na ya na wato adwemfi na kyen na apanyansa ahye ho so. You see, evil people excite anger and they stimulate sorrow and they stimulate fear and worry. The sufferings of others should be warnings to us. Yeah? You say Jesus Christ abrabo a enioma obe nyina e de nyansa kwan e de ahotobre obi. Nano mia me nua be ma otenkra mpoano e fa ne Peter. No akopo wanya na mo anche no. Otenekodo wo so na wasum na no na Peter odwen won kram ko e menente wo na lo e. Menente wo na lo. Na adwendwen na akire no. Yesu do wo se krache ye na hawo. Fra net na to ha. na abeyi nam ne bi ope ensemo anu ye edema Peter Yesu no nya farefo na mmom ogitumi a ewo nimu no epe Peter akwansidie no anu yie ema Peter ka say na nipa we oya nipa ben what manner of man are you Odofo if you want to act in a manner that people will stand up and say what manner of man are you wo abemu wo ni abemu wo ye adwuma baabi se wa no kasa no ye ma obi twa say nipa ben no ka asem we mo apiaf mo ne kasapa mo na adwuma pa yesa ka asem ya na obi oya no onipa dodo ka ho nsem no na nyame atemu na eba wo so hwe na no bi susu mi hia brantie bi na krobi fo so wa kire oyie na onyame ma na akwankyere ema odi kro na ni de kogina nsu kokwa no na esanse jansan kura no nti no ogie akwankyere fi Nyankopon ho ebie nsu mienu ema nipa efamu toti esanse nyansan a kire ne se oso Nyankopon a oso Nyankopon betie ni sufre nyansa afiti ase ene emponyamesuro edu ba bia ya na ye hwahwa ye honodo media me lecturer media me archbishop media me honorable media me say na ye de edin hwahwa ye ho edo twa na muntuo a ensem fata anwawo a ede say ye nenam se wo anwawo a bia bible no say emfa wo nyansa hwahwa ho na emfa wo nimdie hwahwa ho na emfa wo sika ne wa hoodin a wanya hwahwa ho se wo anwawo a bia hwahwa ho se unim awurade like I said, they say, if I have anything to boast about, I will boast about the fact that I know the God I serve. Si yakaso obini mewra anamuntuo bi abetuo kasa bi abeka no ya na wabisa say wesusu no nyansan kwa na wesusu no nyansan ene ya na wesusu no nneoma meyo a edi mpuntuo ene ahoto bebere wo bi ana wesusu no amekokan empu ebehye obi nkuran epeje obi efrawere ho makoyie die mu sei ena nyansa abunobra
ya 99 ya mamunyina achen ya mwakwa Badwam TV Badwam so kasia ne na ne brason sawuti bia no pay ko Facebook/Adom TV ya kasia ni twagu say Go TV na wa channel 176 na DSTV so channel no 280 midin ade afia amankwa tamaklo samne ne todwa omu bi ya wo betie nie Free SHS Secretariat say how no about time de bedan wo mo no emu ohamu nchemu aduokunu numu de wo mahwe asiesie ye de sansem ni nchemu ebeba Ghana Police Service Promotional Examination no University of Cape Coast for ye no ye say apobi amabonten en liki sade ye betodwa e wo Badwam eso sansem no nsem bi na no pay be de bro Adom TV Badwam kasia fie ne de kwan suti nsem no enchemu ankasa Free SHS Secretariat say how ya about time de bedan wo mo ya wo mo kekambo mo abese 10,000 de emu ohamu nchemu aduokunu num wo mahwe siesie amasumdua ba Adom TV kase etwaso
Besa na watchimi yenu nie ena adisuafo wo mo atwere BEC social wo pent waso suku akọ wo mo suku no ebaye eba ne sa eya na Ghana Education Service ebie National Resolution Center sebe ya awofo ne adisuafo ebetimi akọ na de wo hawo no aso no e de ama wo mo Adom kase ama ne boni ko dwomensa brompa ekopie mu wo honom no adisuafo ne awofo bi edaso a wo honom a wo twen se wo hawo no mpanifo beso ano e de ama wo mo One penipa be de echa woda Free SHS Secretariat nano na Africa mensa etwetwen komo no wodi tu dwase complaint be se empim du 10,000 ena wo mu enya ye a waye mu ahamugichemu aduokuno na so ye ne bomodin se osuku ni bia betimi enya school no ahye adesua ase.
Oh, so far almost 10,000 plus, but I think we've resolved 95% of the issues now. About need to know who's the numbers now. That's why they ask no. Bomb by say by this week and latest by next week no. Near fix will be our system no, so I'm managed to me. I could school. I could see a BSN. Like change of schools now, no mobile for changes. But baby, I was space now. Near I am mom. Baby, I any space no. They don't have any option than some be more mano. I call those schools now. Yeah, they amount. What the ba say any pa who ejuma to me empa money pan so oba. The kwanye fa so a say to me no. The be the amount.
University of Cape Coast once one adwene atwe the abesi Adom TV Badwam dwumadie bia 22nd February no ye di tu dwachire mu se police promotion examination no Department of Forensic Sciences ewo university edeba abonten no apo eba abonten jesansa no betwe so hwe no kura no na ehun krata na ba beto edwa nanso university no mpanifo ede niema ahodo bi atoto ho edi ho adanse se bibisa ensia Adom TV kase etwaso
Cape Coast yapon eden krata beto montene so a wachire mu se kuada ogefo bosomeda na to so aduonu mienu afimpinu ene aduonu miensan mu Adom TV bedwam dwumadie so no wonum editu jase police promotional examination a Department of Forensic Sciences a ewo suapon ni mu honomo ehyehyeye ma a police fo no questions ni na beto montene so ansana wonum etro ensohwe no na suapon no enam nkrata iso editu jase sansem no nyina no enyade se nokure bia ewo mu ni edin kan no wonom enam nkrata iso edi tuja se ogefo bosomeda neto so dumiensa afimpinu ene aduonu miensan mu Ghana Police Promotional Examinations a wonom etroye no enya de se questions no ebeto montene so ema wonom a wotron so hwe no enyaye ne eto so mienu san so hwe a wonom etroye no invigilators a wonom akwadere yie ewo wonom adwuma mu ene wo hwe womoso ema wochroye ne senti sede wonom eboto bo se senior officers bia wonom ewo police service mu ene be hwe a police fo no so ma wochro nso hwe no enya de se nokure bia ewo mu a ehu behia se manfo nyina ebehu ne se eye tronko a afei ne etoso miensan so ene se sede nipa no wodi chiame ewo dwumadie ni so ede tu dwa se wonom a wokochro nso hwe ni bie no ede abetu dwa wonom prese wonom nso hwe no wonsan enkoma akibie mu no enya de se nokure bia ewo mu esane se ensohwe no kora no results a ewo mu no enya de se wode aba betu dwa wonam saa krata iso de to kabie womfo ne omanfo nyina animu se Cape Coast yapon no eye excellent academic institution a enya de se wonom be bibi ade age adimbone ama wonom ho ne senti wonam nsem a wode atodwa won krata yi mu eso ede to omanfo nyina animu se sansem a betu odwa ewo bedwam so no enya de se nokure bia ewo mu enkrata yi Director of Public Affairs ewo Cape Coast University Major Kofi Bentum retired enanensa eshase
Dwamtene de ma Electoral Commission Mami Jen Mensa enra okokopie mu obrahye film na asem ne yetia won madwene won susuye ne se Ghana card ne yenhwe mfanto abante na wo so oba ho na obekirikire mu die ntia osusu se ye de no yemfa no mum enento aba no de koso obrahye film eni.
As a country, we should not continue along this route. Truth be told, Mr. Speaker, the guarantor system was not the best under any circumstances. But we did not have other options since a significant number of persons eligible to register did not possess the Ghana card at the time of registration in 2020. Even then, we had some 10 million Ghanaians using the Ghana card to back their citizenship in 2020. Today, we are reliably informed that some 16 million Ghanaians in possession of the Ghana card, and with NIS today we are reliably informed that 16 million Ghanaians are in possession of the Ghana card, and with NIS assurance that it will print and distribute the remaining cards to registrants in a matter of weeks. We do not believe that we will be disenfranchising persons by enforcing the policy requirement of using the Ghana card to prove one's eligibility. The use of the Ghana card as the sole means of identification, Mr. Speaker, will prevent foreigners and minors from getting onto our voters' register. More especially, it will prevent unqualified persons from influencing our elections and having a say as to who should govern our country. This is an issue that borders on the sovereignty of our nation. Simply put, only eligible Ghanaians must be entitled to vote.
Lands and Natural Resources Minister Samuel Abu Jinapor said 2022 no Green Ghana initiative no make us say ohomunche mo be said you watch 80% die enya so mfa so a se nua na nyine kama fefefe sentwefo nhyiam di ase no den semi etuja
Asoye hwensa senimu adododie so e de atodwa se afrase Green Ghana Day Eduama opepe eduonu 24 million na wodua ye no emu hamu chichemu eduwotwe na sesei etimi anyini efifiri oso afa woda asoye no eyesamo abuginapo na odisansem etujo wabra ode na nudisem ekoto udwa ewo asoye a ehwe amaneboso ewo omayi emu ofasa akwanya no so etonsa efre omanfo se afi nso aban epadwumadie no ho ntoma obibia mfa ne ho enhyemesanse afi enuaba opepe edu ena obeto apete omayi emu.
Million seedlings, as I said, were distributed. As of September 2022, 24 million was verified as planted. As at the end of the year, the monitoring team and monitoring evaluation team at the ministry has certified that 80% survival rate. 80% survival rate. 2023, this year, the need to continue monitoring and nurturing of the seedlings is very important, which is why we've become less ambitious in terms of the number of seedlings we are going to plant. But let me conclude by emphasizing one point. What the government, and for that matter the ministry, is set for itself to plant in 2023 is 10 million seedlings. And I will really, truly encourage that all of us, all and sundry, take it upon ourselves on the Green Ghana Day to participate fully, both in procuring the seedlings, making sure you physically plant them, nurturing them, and seeing to their maturity.
Adom TV, Kasiana Oguso Eshano na ohine awo imbre kukrum. Wajina na deshia na nkroto ahodo be na ya na emu do won ade to aban nanim se womo kwan ne de ya mie ne mu ni enye tinkabe ya aban no ene ahweye won hwe road so no ko mmra ho no mo afo ni mehwe na afi ho na muntu wo meye ma won fi se wo ho kire wo mo pa esan kwan na enye ntia na ene Adom kase edi nkomoyi
Nana mbreku ababio ohina wo mbreku krom ene Adom kase atwetwe nkomo ene odi tu dwase ebra contractor no eye ekwan no wanyi bi anto ba bia omanfo betimi afaso senti wo mo ankasa ena ekeka won sase de kwasafodwuma ebo kwan eto ba bia no wofaso na nso ensuo yi ehyase yese eto no asese ekwan no so a sese obi nko emma ewukuru no emu ne senti amakoko board enobaya Oshe boss wode bebre kuyafo ni nyina no wontimi emfamma osra abansa da Roma oma contractor oshe kwan no ase emewie emfamma omanfo
ye kwa no se de me ofa so a na se mo fa so mbu hu se wo mo abaya gije na de bia tuatua so ya ake se ya hodi ntimi wo mo ye no mo anabe wo mo antwa kwa bia anto nchen ye nya na ekopa enua e de eso abo ne ne magu so a ka fa so enne ne kire nsu obeto ye nim se nsu no so na ne eden obetu bridge na firi so na ya ka chiri de yesre mo a se ya sem beduru aben mo asem beduru aben ni ma de ya mo ma asem nuru aben anim na mrekukrum ene nkura nketu atwa ho ahia no ye brepa
enwachi ena mame magredonko ya wo no eboa omanfo eje wo mo awo enso ekire wo hawo a awo ka obi a enipa no famu ansa na watimi de na kodura ya resabia ochemu se ha adwene pa ye toda kora wo hu ne se won ka Ghana ho
mi friji awo okure mu no mi fan se be 81 ena 1981 ena mi strategy awo ache yiye enam suma na ya na mi bompa ye se nyame ma boni binsi na se eba se obi kwa awo so na edin a samre mu yeso nipa gisi yeso ani moto ni ho ye be so an kakra edi no akwa agora kwa so ansa na Africa ama wa abefa.
Ministry of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation, the Environmental Protection Agency, account one boom up climate change and green economy week in one entoma. But I any na say one day Ghana for fantity yahood more ewo we mun sakra yahood any hunsun so Adom TV kwase etwaso.
Ehu ahia ho abode mo nhwehwemu ne na ne moso me Ministry of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation any Environmental Protection Agency no aka bomu a wo mo apa climate change and green economy week ehontoma ye adwumadie no ehhyase obenim bosome de toso aduonu nso edikosi aduasa baako asa adwumadie asenti edaso climate change a threat to our livelihood ya wode ebodawuro afa ewiemu sakraye eho mo amanfo nso ate ase oso afo da sa so ya no Dr. Kwaku Afriye ekasa ene wodi to dwa se ewiem nsakraye de ewo so obibia ede ne ho agimu na afei de gubo no kwa kire emomanfo ete ase se beyi a ensuo to a wobete ase ewiabo nso wobete ase na ama wohu eniema etwa wohu ehia enchiremo de to dwa enie.
Remember, for climate issues, we must engender a mass movement to enhance climate change education across diverse levels and sectors and raise awareness on climate change. The first-hand experiences and stories narrated by the youth groups and our partners will be inspired to take up their commitment to advance joint climate actions and to develop practical solutions to climate change impacts in Ghana. I now consider the Climate Change and Green Economy Week duly launched.
Ekrofum mensinemu asantemantamu na 4-bedroom flat bi a water chrome die e wodum kwa onofe ni nyina hye wom keka bomu anaje sesika mpem enanam ejane hye so e de abre wo mu akosam de kofa ejane ba ya Adom TV etwaso.
Ene wukuo ajefo bosome de toso aduonu wotwe afimpinu ene aduonu miensam ebra na anopa nonkono aboapa ho simaduasa ena saa ejayi ehyase obia emprade nanso danmu ne nyina edwirigu fom a ahyedwerebe abra DO3 Frederick Jima ya wo municipal fire commander ewo Apadentra East mesini mu ene Adom Kasiama ne boni Mohammed Radiudin Rasco etwetwe nkomo no ene wode to nanimu se de nam so potema ejane hyase de enya de se ababetu dwane nso wonum de wosusu se electrical fault bi enenam so a ema ejano eto ofie honomo
ena mbebofu ye se wires na wo ha no nyina ai dada wires nyina ai old wire ena wires so hangland ho nyina sense ho me sure say either say obi eja bi si dem a wire den wenum no koma sa atwenche me buy papa yo me da say the met makache mo an say sabi dan de nyina fire service for radio so equal fire safety education and fire safety campaign yeah it touch no more than fire safety obi to be also me dem fear ma class a gentleman tuchida a gentleman shida ba e jam bon kaye e ja e bit ma back anytime entin chechire na ye mamu e tiefo no ye bon pa say and say yes to say kadan na omo ye den omo tie yen
Yamani boni to aso ne wonu ma ho kan e wose eja hihye yi mu etwetwe nkoma wode adesrede ato mpanimfo anim se wo meboa wo no
empabo di obi aso ne nan ne mere ne nyina aso and say any ye bia kwa amafo sika o me da wam sabe mfanto no mbabe and o mbaji scam ni nyina aso
yamani nyina aso ye sika da dem wo kula 25 men nyina aso ye ne ma me kofa me chemu di ko di wodem bi bia me ba e kula me ye be se me ni me mai kula na
Before was Tifi South District Wamo apomudi atena ye wa hafumantam ni mo 2022 nyame anim ni district ne bo homoden pa se mai kwa wo yeso a obi ma na abofra ma no womo an record bi na ni nyina ni gina hyehye pa womo de to na kwan so a abatan mu so di so nti na matena death no womo an record bi 2022 mu a ehun hia mu di Adom TV piase etwaso
Ebra fimpinu ni aduonu mienu performance review meeting ekoso ewa hafo hwedie mu ena maame Felicia Kupo ya wono ena ye expanded program on immunization penimpa echire mu se afimpinu ni aduonu mienu die obatan bi ye ni wono mo kwa wo so a wo hwere ne nkwa esanse mansi na pomudin penimfo ebo wontirmu posa pomudi adwumanfo no wono won bekasa na wate wani ahwe apenfo pa sebeyi a obetimi awo afa won ho afa won ba
Obabia ni wa okwa awo so a owuye e wo 2022 afenimo ni nyina gina a doctor for modern ba omo boy wa yaresabia ahodo no na bia ye ni doctor mponu a nurse for no mu se bi opimfo we a obewi ni yade ni na woni mo edin ana challenge kakra aba ho a entempa na omo refer e de kokesiem said the bay a doctor for na one be so ni aboa no because ye hu say ye nkron kitinkiti no mu ni theater o mu ni doctor for ye midwife for ni nurse say na wo ho no enti say oba be hia operation a ji say mtempa na no ye refer no e ma ne kokesiem e ma omokọ ekohwe no said the fata yetimi hu say enkra so a ombe ye malnourished e wo afia atwa mu 2022 no so no e no so ba fom nyina ne say officers na omo deda saa programs ya no nurses na disease control officers nutrition officers ni nyina to mu si wono ekoko konkro ketekete so ko yi ewe na nkura na edi afutuo papa e maamefo no
Mansin crash penny wa wutu senya west mfimfin mantemu Joseph Edu sabino agenda 111 no a womo ye no enye bosiremo ka bi enye ntro bi no wodie se de ne yeda NDC ano na oka no
Ghana ban edi agenda 111 enhyehyeye ebaye a okire semensin bia na obesia yaresabia wom sebeye a yaresabia ebedoso ewo omayi emu adani bi wo honom a wogusu a esi ebi nso wo honom a wode nchensen eboso ya enche obewie adom kase ama ne bone Kofi Agye ene mensiri krache wa wutu Joseph Edu etwetwe nkomo ene wode eto omanfo anim se wonfa wonwode enta ban achi esanse agenda 111 a aban edi baye no eba beboa amapomode hu nsem agina brane Odi sanse mu etu jewa bra okonsra ko hwe adwumadi awodo a ekoso
na me concern ni say aso say ekechi ana no na na be problem no na wa ma assurance say omugusu a timelines na omode ama contractor bia na ogusu a oye adwuma nhihye mu no obetumi ewie before the contract expiration
enwachi and a resident consultant yo wa to Senya West Mark Afari echere mu sesese adwuma no waye ohamu chichemu aduanan a wo hwe kwan se hwiebe osanabo sumi no mu afempinu ne aduonum yensam die no watimi awie
the ekoso kama with respect to percentage wise no ebe can say we are at 40%. We are at 40%. Yeah, complete. Yeah. Currently we are at the superstructure stage. And we are looking at probably completing this project around August.
Bayan kotu Badwam Waterchima North and so agenda 111 no contractors 9 nyina nsugu so ya won ye wadwuma dikadika won susu se enche na won mawie na afia pomuden hu nsam so agina ne nan so
me projects are me ye female ward, pediatric ward, surgical ward, maternity ward, May ward, and mortuary, and so never down on. Eja, you saw but we shall, I say, you slow down Kakrawa hay. Near challenges you as I say, someone who may be the echo court, Momodi Junction, eto project in the society, yet to the cash work. Into my who do on bear 5-6 months. Ja, Nempenny for new mu, AD in Sawaso. Until later, and sign, and my approval say, you beat me about 12 months.
District Chief Executive for Techima North, Everson Adodonko, and soon some of the two Jano, Ebini.
Oh, Samoa. Agenda 111 the Techima North for a lucky, or Mampanina Nado, or maybe. Na baby adwuma no na kora me koho adwuma ekoso ya start ya no na asase sema manso binti me delay kakra na se de bibia kodwa na nanu madawro mane me regional minister aka asem no wi ena me ankasa so me ne assembly for ama se adwuma no koso
Dr. Opokujan ye doctor ni ebeni emu nsam a wabene mu yie pa wo ye n'adwuma ewo Sikado Government Hospital na wo de adesre to Ghana fo nyina nim brano yenkwaya sabia ne yenkohwe yeni no na hoden sadetie
o yesu de nyipa bia wo ha be check wapo nti say once a year po se bopa at least based on findings in us doctor nso botimu recommend de bia onam A, B and C nti beyewo regular screening ebia once every month, twice a year, and also the once in 4 years. Healthcare no onye easily accessible by the majority of people. Inti say if organization be them was the health screening it was about or good, even though or the basics and other the vitals in the whole use now was a B and C on oye de ubia baba na wa baba.
Club President Edema Club no Angelina Yale and some of the two Jenny.
Rotary Club of Takrade Anaje as part of your activities for the year. This is also one of them. The Eboko community they have health screening. Eye, so we are tackling eye and general health now. Free NHIS for them. Yeah, sugar, now hypertension, now yeah, show your main aim is there. Your areas of focus. This falls under disease and disease treatment and prevention. In the other area, you choose question team because in the question team and more farmer. You was on go, you question me fee, into more from no papa, into health insurance, and the eye free, a damn winning nara. I will be at least we had a nurse or follow up you hospital, natural okwa, so why free or damn.
Mienya no so na Adom TV Badwam kasia no pai na ha na bema kwan na ye de asie de kwan so ye da ase papa wo mre no wadaje ye de awrade ase awrade ode ye nhyɛ ase no ode ye wie January ne February amenne yesi bosome foforo mu a ye ni dan mu ahurusie de obeye de ne no ene de obetwa o ti de wo ye bia no ye ni yie omahene kwabna santi gina ne na so wa ha papa ene so hu na fade na na se Ghana no emuani ewe ne bosumi we eyeye bro nya na say birthday because aha bosumi ni enya yemfa ahudie nti niema wa Adom TV so ewo ye friend say March bosumi mu no esewani ense okachire be me ne yemu akwaba
do kono ne nam do kono ne nam oko ko bwa twede oko ko bwa twede enam bo do kono enam bo do kono me papa wo lori bi openyin bi na oka na obo na benese pepepe popopo pepope again pepepe popopo again
so what and you we wanna compose
where early for the call early no you know be that early no was a bre I can't say I would want early no say any abre school I call any the area and continue to say you know oh fluid David any bravery you know share it you want to say media man you need to more but I was supposed to do the international idea hey two yeah the wine three you call him sir sa it is not quite Ghana man to say yet Ghana for ankasa. You excuse me, Tampico, please. Excuse me. Tampico, please. Tampico, please. Who be for Mankeni.
Coco Memley.
We do. And that quite Ghana man. We have to really revive ourselves because with him. Yeah, most of these restaurants I'm a fee on could be a fried rice and fries and chicken, beef, and beggar of all communities. And they will say at you know. Now you can't bring quino. Any a cobini momon, any mancanino, any afasiano, any double corny punano. Oh, there was a pim, any only abano, contombrinano, a gushi, any a year and nama owl no, which are fish, you know. Amanene opokune you know apatre now the san new money na
apatre
bi o now the frafra biani garin mumiesu enye you know nchiche one year too much
oh apatre de wakama
you know timun fan frafra obi di Ghana aduane pa no almost be 25 years you will not believe this Ghana aduane say nipa kwa san kwa egu ni nipa aduane Oba Thomas, o hene we die na dise me die me just ne kesi resi me die the doctor say aja doctor Shaba go hey we die na DC who dan ye kesi me me so it's a Ghana month, let's be happy.
Yes.
Promote Ghana nya onta de shemu nko kasa woka dia igbe anwona frafra Hausa, let's be proud. Let's be very proud. Baby obutu kra ukro mudinda ufri boy yem so nka nwasem da ufi chichire nso yaka chichire na oda na wachaba chichire e wanzo na ufri ufri amantin atebubu nso yakan wayi wani kra se onim atebubu ba bi e hyekora adwuso ya account me nka na abeka wo no let's be proud. It's our month. It's the Ghana month. Mesro na yankase adwuma ye no so no. One etwa breaks yembo omo Ghana for into business yemwa Ghana adwuma yem patronize Ghana adwuma. Nyuma ni bia ready e beba wa adwene mu atela for for welders ne sa omo ye cap omo ye books omo ye sa no man nyina na bo ma oman bia no unkofo ho timi harry omno mutimi gina bra na. It's important. Tiano pay koko esese onom no anya eyu a ese ye de mori koko no na the service and from isa wo no tie kosisa sa old sina at complex no kasa wo no tie pam e wa wa you ko we fi abakwati bu sado pay conflicts ni old ni the IS bibi e wa
table be
oze
table be na na buy
match ni de di kan. I salute you, Yesu, Wadaroma.
Aya de.
Ana nei odi abeduha. Bosumi January, February, and March. Ya can say ani asisi ana I say e normal no afema abedu first match. E abnormal. If you care to know, a very abnormal because some from anokra dia afem wo abisi match no. Ye season from ono bebe 1 second, 2 seconds bia. Minia. Wo bro fo nyina be ho. O daya kasia no Bentley ni D&D Guinea ni na we twaso. Me kan no na cho. It is always good to be grateful. Onipa bia wo asase so a de odo ba asase we so yi nyame firi ho a wawofo. Enipa wo no mu di dwuma. Mo nso a mawofo kwa mo frɛ sɛ osmosis o maamini ye bo maamini na wo kan hye. Hey! Mo a mo frɛ sɛ mo de mawofo mpo ba kyerɛ na. Mo so mo nue di wonna
ene wa jani
na won kwan den
aware wasase so
o se ko we de we asdi fo de bi na de ewi asemeka ya ti aso na wi
ese wara kokon sen
ese o do aso de democrat the everybody your kwan the online stories do America says the Ghana months anything Ghana
yes and so Adom TV said that make kan kwabna this month dear yeah ban the second time aduane a ye de be ma ahofade a ye de be ma nti no ma afidie no koso ana ha na ye wone ma ahodo bi aduane a ye die wo ye krobu num ne necessary sister Sandy beba oh yes nti ene no montina sema ye na kente besu entoma kese o man hina ofra ntoma mama ofra ntoma da oto aye Ghana man anya hye no nkwan ye se ne tutu ntoma nso ne ehwe
uhu mi sa ntoma fra da nti na mo ho adwuru ene no ene na o twi mu nyina
enti nkan ne
ka na o twi mu nyina busumi mu nyina me kire se uhu mi se me fra ntoma hwe enyo mo se na o yi ana me mpe no
na jai
na no ko ja mi na ase de ne si ye
na ase de na ofra nya ta
de haye kwa na o se kasa o kasa
na de se ya enti no e also man efra ntoma Sara ni who say yes. Oh my yabo yes Francis. I didn't know Francis. I know Francis.
I rather from Zadako crazy ye. I betray the company there. Put it to attention how Landia can say 2 minutes more. It's about what to the cat bro.
To where adomonline.com.
Kwakumenu begs Lewin over Dr. Like I don't
say Dr. Like ne Lewin. I'm so almost. No,
and
the local news
oh
yes CCT yes na me hu some we abrofo nti first bureau be say wa kra mo me hu mo kala na nenye $1,600
oh
nti ya che eno no capture mo nti say no say e pe wo mo nti pictures no ho ne na
if you dey na
serious and the way omo ye na de wa onye careful omo the baby and no and I sad reactions as crime check boss shares photo or poster of late Christian Achu nti eno so no ho asem no e wa ha na Ghana card to be used to vote in 2024 election or not the mensa sets record straight you know and no call parliament and a news room so yaka
parliament
oh yeah na why there so ra atifa prof so by and so be defended be church semu you know at least
obi e share me gidie ni say ampa yetu anamo atifa wa ya ade nemu se e kan hihye se ye de beto aba no ya anamontu ye yiri mu kakra ne hare ye ho kakra na ankofa menti me ho ase bia obia ka
because he was just na me aduma year se se akran ka ye It is a no one the bed, yeah. Never say, who say, and be piano. Yeah, fast. It's a one.
As well, to John Democrat and they bring my own quite quickly. The Chronicle Democrat is McDonald escapes prison sentence by hair's breadth. Ajimamenu snubs Parliament as Musa. Minerals exports hit record $6.6 billion in 2022. Ghana card will not be used to vote in 2024 elections. Electoral Commission for Akase. ABC News Gordon Asari Bidiako, the Kraten, you say Tinubu breaks the aid for APC in Nigeria elections. Nigeria's INEC is never ever better than Ghana's Electoral Commission, and continuous attacks on the Electoral Commission needless. And what's the ABC News at the Aba Ghanaian Times. Big boost from mining sector. Ghana attracts 3 gold, lithium, and 1 lithium mining firms poised to begin operations by end of year in Ahafo, Upper East, West, Central regions. And what's I want to say? President receives credential letters of 5 envoys, and event of fire outbreak renders 600 homeless. Destroy 450 wooden structures. Baby, I'm going to talk. In your name, I don't point. Hey, and the same point you be winning your own. Quite the own. Yeah, if you are several kind pay. It just was who.
Yeah, oh, baby, we are but Obia Boca.
Yeah, oh, my man, auntie, it just was who.
As I had the afraid,
The new crusading guide. Chinese company receives approval to mine at Akokwaso, and NIB smokes out land commission stealing syndicate 16 in the cooler for siphoning 100 million Ghana cedi. Gold brought Ghana $6.6 billion in 2022. Lands Minister Anakase. Medina NDC politics turn bloody. Constituency chairman warns. Assaults Sesu's nightmare unleashes attack dogs on parliamentary hopeful. Anafe Enima. Nungwa's 2 land secretarial parades 15 lawyers to reclaim all Nungwa lands. And what's them? And one, the publisher, Ghanaian publisher. Gold owns them for swear their brain, 6.6 billion. And Ghana card, not voter ID card substitute. Electoral Commission for paying Paya Mamiji and Mensa. MPs mad over vaccine shortage. And what's and so I want to say, yeah, this year I'm saying,
me amena na Jenny Boating.
Yes.
Amwama hine.
Amwama.
Sa.
Unamia weekend.
Weekendi. Ena nena ye jano no so oba penny sa. Enti ene ye chiri ne benche ye obi a wonim na Jenny Boating. Kane CPC boss nena. And that from Tiabako, Amwama, now Cherry, and I big jow. Now I prefer any woman is you. When you go back on so Judith, I'll call you, or no cinema made that form. Okay. Jones Yabena, I put to a jack. I put to a jack. Yes, I put to a jack. I know you're 11. And you. Ufi, a year high school junction, and your brother will fly inside, and I come see Brewery. What we do high school junction. Ufi high school junction. The next one be Monaco junction. Ufi Monaco junction. Now call Agogo. Ufi Agogo. Now to us room now do stress. Who do stress now call Judge? Who free Judge now call put to Judge? We are made very rap about this. Free Judge about the same. I watch here. Now rap on soon I know this over yeah, who be to me. Judith Aku Oji. One who is Monkafra. Yame and somebody. And see Yame Aduma Aputu Aja. 11th March. Not to say, Yenina Yakwaku Jano, come on, fe. Inti no so ehun asem eno no nti ene bra kwabna
that is in channel
na year odi say
and omware mfie nkunu ni
9 years
some of these comments no and I just because Mr.
Omo so ofan ho toto nti wo be kofiam pedu ene lender omo eware 9 solid years ni Eradi Nshraso onye ne kese na ya double Munyini wa munkokura ne mumre wa brem na nya fefefe na mishira mu pa yeda mu ase enenenso Ghana man se no se me bobo bode ma hodo ebe so o se ye wo mpanifo atitwi obi o ma ye nema bebre ba bo se ya na ye wura fi wo mo ye twen sabi ebi amanipa na firi mu ana bibi etesa ti safo ni nyina no ebi mo ha ye be profile wo mo ye be kom ho asem kakra na eno sa no ye keka wi a ye beja question bi ato adomonline.com o pass ya achede wo ho aye de be ma wo mo enti ya hwefo ne yetiefo papa bi wo Adom Asempa ene TV ne online mesre mo mamu free ha sa month we mu ye search ade afi say Ghana month enti ye ni maka questions no kura nso nye dene fofofo say ya enti mesre mo afidie ni nyi free ha mane na ha se ya sha se kosi se awrade de embetwa bosome de ahye foforo mo no eni ma ani kan efe ene de bro e wa Adom TV Adom FM Asempa FM na fe adomonline.com ti eni entna fi se Adom TV e wa zo ye Ghana month emuana ye de nti o mai ene MDC ha se mi di kan wo ho sa nti incoming MP akwasinsia aka se Bismarck ono so aye krado asemi kan o de twaso
yes I was biem makachiro Monday to Friday asemi kan bribia da no eso oti ase nsema hodo aye keka wo ha na very very important nsema ni bi wo ha na hinta na ne kan ya kana nsema ni bi won so papa pa bo enyina so ayi ni embese beka se ya moa ye ho ankeka sa nsem na nkyerɛkyerɛ ye ho ahwe ekwan be fa so a yebesia no kwan yebebra no na afi makachire ho se mo enkwapa no kwafo a ya de se fata na de bia da somebody will not be encouraged de bia da obi so be fa kwan tia kwan anye papa so e de ayi ma ensem fata enu tira bi bia da kaka se ensem ni bi won ma se edika make say die asem yi dika kamafo ne kasafo ne chiame eni oye otitireni aye krado akwasinie na ono wasere ukase akwasinsia the chief priest ni say oh there be the already nyanto some friend na kasa akwasi the presidential correspondent dia onu be with pepe akwasinie
oh I forgot Ghana man
oh yes
Ghana man
eja be kase we dey mo bia be kan chem say me go ka the pledge and national me mother e dey be wo form say bra
Ghana man yes etibusum ye be di Ghana ho nkomo
oh yes
asemi the council on sem about Ghana
okay
at least enye ne ye nyina na ye bad
okay
ebi ye
okay
isan say otu ani kura hwe kwa Nkrumah sek way back in 1966 na yabo dwekukura bi na esi wono na the compare and the sector e shows a Ghana 2.1 free baby e de aba baby but ye be sa hwe hana kosi ye drew baby a ye free air bana anaki atra ye ku enim de na aka osi etimi eye wan betimi e de aboy ye de je wona ye de aso anko na monto ne yetu anase wonso ni nipa na monto e na ekonta semidika for the March 2023 you will become a Ghana.
Yeah. Very important.
Oh,
because they say you're taking cover. Bullets the bar on the issue, they're taking cover.
And also, UCC for
yes.
Statement, yes.
Oh, after the final, one year.
Yes.
Yeah. Is there any admission that say I'm passing to be signed by
UCC for Ajatum say, ne show yes, say a part of the questions, no. No, but they have a challenge, say no identity attach questions.
Oh, there is what in Chiremu by.
I think yes, ye Chiremu and now Chiremu say because a security questions.
Yeah, what in Chiremu by.
Send no mono edit statement. Moment me attach questions no more seti no. No more free say because of the agency of maternity no. They say the you hold your money in that high esteem. Because some of the questions near questions say bother about security.
Okay.
How the senior officers na ye promote you mono. Ebetimi aboabo men hu ban yi.
Exactly.
Ye to sa question to abontia. We will not be doing the nation good. Enti chief PR ya wo UCC major. Enye se bia ye ni question no. But because of the nature of the questions ninti. Say the moment me afa attach mo statement no. Sa reason na pepe interest you ntimi.
Well, I think that they now catch it you na na person we say they now catch it you say chief inspectors for control so here. Yes. So here no more control no. University of Cape Coast and apposi for asere omo say omuntu sa na mon emo. So anything about instruction UCC. It's
about UCC.
Invigilation. UCC. Set of questions.
UCC.
That day, no.
Marking
every day.
UCC.
So clear.
Everything UCC.
Say information be basa so high control me chief inspector.
Yes.
UCC.
UCC ne be blame
so UCC pam to madaroma. How the obi na odi chim say nim de for ne aben for no.
Yes.
But the say ye ne say ebiri bia da obi de sa contract ye hye wonsa no na wo hu eye said ye hu hia so obebo ho ban secure eye nsa answer it obi krata ba ye police wakasa na
please phone kasa a police phone kasa bi ene na police phone be kasa dia but ye ma UCC penforce antia say ye need that so school nim school no UCC what mo
I don't know
ye need that so say omo mark nwe ye I say omo by this week so far near titi cry say as of no na no mark no be say 179 e say omo pass kai say see in pen 4 over 1300 na so he no ye fabu 250 na promote omo
cha
man ba ko bi kure jet two mu last week right say in fact the police officers no complain about leakage no they are not calling for remarking keke they are calling for cancellation of the entire exams
because of the leakage
and
the leakage before during or after which one is
UCC for come here to say they don't understand see exams nearly 2 days after see exams no.
But that is not the case.
That is it.
And that can be the case.
It come off to be because one any GSS for the coach and any SS4 a yen penny 4 timofu bill is on your leakage on your say SS ni your way no. Eti yefa no ensia o man awrawo masaba
e dey asem
awrawo masaba pa ma tese wodwe niam bi e koso Ghana adisua ho a you ask yourself so why oh man why school placement yeah now and answer person and aka be say twem ko ya manasi azure awune e dey report ba ya kire krofo nwotwe no and na dey search nipa ba ko biem
and dey na omo ye
waji obi sika 1400 Ghana cedis so we me asesa ne ba school e dey ama
me nim dey ba na I don't know I don't want to be I have to be careful about
that time pacho by Kankete of City TV and enya video papa yi and ji obi sika
we
yes no jina we what bo suit sam 1400 Ghana cedis
o ye jimo he o biana
oni education min then me I say arawo omo yeri nyina so main education ministry
so how are they getting access or
that time pacho me entie papa yi enko bo twe on city for twhwe abra ojo obi 1004 say or pay placement in fact please watch no hank of good ne sabako please watch no that time pacho ye share some video number is here na ye to
I know this man I was here on Friday okay and then he wanted a replacement to be done and I said okay I can help him get a replacement okay so there is a kind of amount of money that he has to pay then we give it to
how much
well he has given me 1,004 and I said by the close of today I can help him get the placement yes but not in a condition as in the school is not being going to be provided he explained his situation and I told him say this and that yeah.
Why has the police arrested you?
Well, my man just let me say consult them that this and that and that and
what
he explained the situation that he has given me money and I've assured him that I can help him for the schools to be changed but it has not been done yeah that is why.
And which schools are those?
Well,
okay, Pasha, what's the situation?
Yeah, madam, good afternoon. Last week Tuesday, I came here for the replacement of my daughter. Actually, it's my adopted daughter. So when I looked at the situation, the pressure too much and may not be able to get to school. And the woman was worried, so I decided to take the first step on my own. Even I lodged the complaint to my honorable, who is coming. So he asked me to pay 1,500 Ghana cedis. I said, oh look, I don't have that money. So what do? I called the madam, and madam, even I was in front of Kumasi, when he was giving me pressure that if I don't send that money to him, there will not be no replacement for him. So if I send the money to him, that is on Saturday, by Monday morning, when you go and check, it will be ready. But I have to make sure that I will bring the balance of 500 Ghana cedis. So this morning I came with 200. She refused to take the money. So it's a sense that if I don't pay the balance, there's no way I can get replacement for the girl. Meanwhile, I've already given him 1,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay. Often I say we say come City TV. Yeah, the material bia adansi bia ohu bia ya adwuma. Now in fact, let's the place for. And now a see ya chi nipa nwotwe no. education minister can say me say omu to adamo aboa ama nipa bi ye wo ekire bi etimi akire omo papa ya ogire ono so etwi asa 1400 ma ye nkire abrante no gis kan nko a in fact opani me sorry but baby ade ne keka konoma say obi bia no bom bia se ya mamra no ne eni a sadu we be ye nim guase de amagana na be kwakọ wie tani aton ye grade A grade B grade C schools no e de ama the highest bidder.
Well akwasi no crapa so say I say galamsey adwuma ya ye site one dey champagne ye adwuma ye ni caprio
yes
capus na nka say ye osmosis mo omo ta kire omo madwum enti ye de na wo na brand TV no benya akuguduro no aka kire say
1400 Ghana
man that die because me phone so kura no
okay
enipa atwitwa payments are omo aye ni nipa e demand 12,000 10,000
for one
placement and maka we could say we a parent sebi this is the height of foolishness complete height of foolishness so we menya 17,000 Ghana cedi e dey ama obi say on for your placement e ma oba I think that mentally you are not sound. Because all your side we na kokasha akwa say onim bra ma brim ska me 3 hours. Akwa right from that word go on no. What me we say movement or system.
Yes.
It Ghana ye die no. We have created a mess by our own self. And the young man we na do crack placement center on bra we need any relationship with the activity going on there. Because on call for all the 1,000 by the close of the day no. No, I did 50,000 Ghana cedi. No, the come couple nanka sana mo no 5,000. The idea cho besaba. It went there. Unfortunately, unfortunately, na papa bia ojina ho no kase ana ukura uji dame to say.
Russia could
there's a placement center there to listen to your issues and try to solve your problems for you. Na mo so form ina mo dia chemutim say oba nko every girls and as Wesley girls and as why are we doing this to ourselves? Because Wesley girls in sa dia ka community prepare omo facility yes.
That is it.
And makase nyamiadum and every senior high school were competent qualified teachers are want to go on there. And the so-called A schools you credit and to so. Asa yankasa man fi ya kra ya Methodist school yo. Let's get off that mentality.
Let's
get it off. Let's get it off.
Infantiman.
Obrano ye wan kasa oba obetima kontina prempe ba utini e say o de prempe cover utini ntino usua hwe oba ba bontina o da form pasa na obi o putu oja SHS o de komrika chen bia now the size of mask is ye. Let's not be doing this to ourselves. And then we come back to say, oh, my name is
which we just 17,000.
17,000.
Oh, you have a self we can't have say. VSHS, no, it's
too much.
What's that?
I was in the kind of
Papa is a medical cano.
Yeah.
Yanya Abrante was coat Nunquan Yancho. Papa no cheers, can you miss a place for? So this Yancheno. Yanchini because Uncle for Sabi. And the names will be more minor money else has they best say Ministry of Education. And now no manasi azura wouldn't mode or more report by Ministry be catches so my investigation report now you're ready. I'm a report from see a citing NAT and Pennyphobia Ghana National Association of Teachers. Not for Badwam team be catches in fact report no a check. The release of the report no a check. Kwesi kwate ebe catch on now to media so say. Report na ye read no mawie aka me bia wo bia be so na report no ache se na di eke ka koso no man ano ya ye den well ye timi koso ntam sa
na se akosi we no dey kwa no and dem anabi wa dey so so biem
wa bra ma me fa quick placement here that apart from me ko anum asamoa senior school na quickly
hospital bia sesi
asamoa si won nya sem to so placement school ye wo ye anum kumachi that kumachi akra me na me ya signboard no anum asamoa senior high technical school ewo adum kwanwoma
ede na si obi
trade kwan so school nini ya posti edition for 255 afine call as of enura o mana 7 pe and are returning to the school hwe school ni classroom je wo ma hwe wachi baby e kire kwada na de a boarding and day yen see dormitory ma school into school na pen for na current obi fie and dem kwada na gum eti free senior high school ya ma borders aduane anopa awie anwumre no awofo mo ma ekọ enum asamwa senior high school omunya sa aduane bi ni this one na do aduane ekọ school that part of me call that story about enum senior high school headmistress no issue no already last year April the acting headmistress of the school famco website one asem one na catch them pen for say school no any dormitory because no one say this year be post na ba hodom eti pen for say e betimi esi dormitory dia mo omo enye sa the challenge no go through over the years no or may go through the same thing. In fact, free a coin kwanguma e cost my bus about 30 minutes walk. Eti nantede emu etwekakra. Headmistress appeals for infrastructure support for Anum Asamoah SHS.
April 2, 2022.
That is it. Last year.
Kasi
any atna sia bepim na yenya hutwio. Any asa posted the share for 255 some call. As for any pass 7 pe. In fact, how for the biasman nominate kai say enya de obehwa ma ne ba akọ se o se ne ba akọ back ekọ rewrite bis no me na ye no apesku papa dia man
enko bi se saa ne pese ye no tie nyina ye beboa ne ayen saa pepepe saa ne nyina be here because wa o ti wa wo hwe na we de wan kasa wo ye o ye kana office BC da this say ya ne create problems nyina me nanti akọ to so nanti ko e hye chire
Kwaba kesi bi ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwumadi so dia wo kansi ho sempa esa kana no pansu ja medindi Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature professors degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter Adam Simina meden kuma wodo esa kan Ghana agudie mu no so 18 sejao chendo so mam senyuma ko ne makoma ko be se miensa o madama o na etachira bom ska dwetire me de shan she so ko 18 jao yedi campaign 1xbet have always told you that betting there is better than sakawa utwane before din before utwane kuma bia din kuma sa no manum ka kire busuafo na fofo yere ma wo fase fo nananom ukunu mu no mpranfo nyina se 1xbet na ba last year boys edidi bronya too much new year so no ne kitem Ghana man tin so betua sanya sika ato atade atua sampama sha 1xbet bomodin da utwa bet afadwene kakra to isan se bet diwa wadwene betua bomotin betua sa hyehyew wani betua prusu entia na de adwene kakra tia to oni mu mfe no wotwemfa ho nyim nanso we nyina achi no ogo so pe bet dia 1xbet ho danse ana me edi ama no Jeffas Mr. Edward that infections related to gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white fever, and so deep. Edward Boa proper, Harano Mrabu, and multimidin chineche, but more than that, so do any bit and such him. Herbal shops and pharmaceutical shops in Nemo, also pe Jeffas Mr. Edward, a boy, you must set it, on set to make him a bit and bois, and maniama at 2 year at the amount. Sedmore gel and roll on, your ultimate pain relieving gel. You can't do back 2 hours pain if you are pampas weapon monasia, a Sedmore gel and roll on. Would when each sham and me market and sabitia capitaman so and yen now cry between your friend so to be a cotton and answer to the hono obetia friend 0208219129 now on a Sedimo gel and roll on yen twin komo yen hwemwa emaniama 822 ye famo madama woman attach abo men no penso there we can see some pine sa cancel 8 message Ghana month no and you so 8 fees abri ankopim 31st of March there Ghana month routine sampaye ba na yabon bede ane ye de eba na mo ekoma na se me sha se de fi English FA Cup matches ni bi 20 to top FMC kama Bristol FA Cup ewo England na FA ni 20 chim ewo EPL fixtures anyame adoma eno so 8 top fem ne Arsenal ne Everton be shesi aka na Liverpool ene Wolverhampton 1 so so de akensi be 20 aboso behwe sena nyama ABC akọ ewo sa akensi yentin tom afira Ghana month properly na fehwe sena nyama AC ekoso Ministry of Youth and Sports honorable Mustafa Yusuf enso hwe sena nyama AC ekoso na anwada ode nkomo kakra 20 akopi mo ma shebidwem emra honorable Adam Salam Yakubu etimi ebisa ne nsimbi efa new Edubiase Sports Stadium no na amene okase de nkra ne chese new Edubiase Sports Stadium mo chese 10 to no afotegare mo ma contractor na mene santen se onfanya adwuma wetun anye tenei o ma terminate contract ne hwenim se nyame adoma on be sare awodo contract no e de ama contractor foforo na mum da poten asa adwuma de betua sa to dwane de o mu ntimi nkyere nhwem ne chese nyame adoma afi mu a ana on betua sa to aso.
The new project for the construction of sports stadium started smoothly but ran into challenges and has remained same for a couple of years. The project faced engineering challenges and was redesigned, packaged, and contracted to Masters Shagdem Company Limited. The contractor started NS, but abandoned site for the past 2 years. All attempts aimed at ensuring that the contractor returns to site fails. Mr. Speaker, all these unfortunate events happened during the Ministry of Youth and Sports consistently honoring the obligation by paying all the interim certificates, and that's the IPC submitted by the contractor. Consequently, Mr. Speaker, we had no option than to terminate the contract, and the project will be repackaged and awarded to a new contractor. Yes, the contractor had challenge, and in contract process, it's not just as easy just terminating. You need to go through certain process. You have to give the contractor warning for not getting to site. You need to make sure that the consultant assess the work done, and when all this fails, that is where you terminate. So we are needed to go through the process of ensuring that we give the contractor a fair opportunity, and that is why it has taken time. But like I said here, finally we have terminated the contract, and we are in the process of repackaging it and awarding it to a new contractor to come to site and complete the project for the good use of
Yusuf Mustafa and outside and cancelled in Como 18 to Jadiafa new Edubiasa Sports Stadium. No, we and Como 18 and P. Mora Shebedrum, and Honorable Adam Salam or no annual Edubiase, or Mora Shebedrini, Ubisi Bisa 17 and Omodesan Como 18 St. Jai. Your concrete from the African Games. Na mafobeka na Adam ampenyene ne nkofo tiensa kopi mu Africa hye so omo tiensa transfer omo chese African Games agana yese ye JSS so batwam se 10 pia de ahyeda foforo na ene mi no kasa omo chese 2024 ana side medin ebetiensa to fam enra mpenfo si nkonya anadwo da sum ene hyehyɛ so kwatiensa betu jasna mi adoma match busumu afu 2024 mu no ana sa African Games no ebetian baso Dr. Decious Chimpanda wono ene penya woye AU Sports Air Council no coordinator be pima wode san komo ijai.
Following also in agreement
Enze monfanjense ya wisiri kakra Dr. Decious Chipandi ana otene kase nkono so ede ne nkomo 18 sadwa no na omo chese nyame adoma dwumadie kese no ebetimi abaso on the 8th of March 2024 na fe 2024 na so no na 23rd of March yasa de sadwa dwumadie kese 18 saba na wie local organizing committee chairman ne din ene Dr. Ofusu Asare ono so de ne nkomo kakra 18 sadwa efa se na saskel de wi ebesi akọ Inti we nkoma eno so etensa PMD afa African Games a ye hwe anim se nyame adoma eno so ebetua sa to dwane ti African Games ne omo atimi enya ne puma sibre da poten a sa dwumede kese ne ebetua sa to dwa omo hye boss nyame adoma dwumede ne ebe fefefe be de na Ghana hwe anim se facilities outdoor ese complete no omo betia complete aboa e maniama etia koyi e de ama African Games a Ghana ye GCS so film sante no eno so etua sa abaso se committee Dr. Kwakufu so Asare on a local organizing committee a chairman ne nkoma ono so edijai no.
Following also in agreement with the dates that have been proposed by the Republic of Ghana, and the closing ceremony will be on the 23rd of March 2024. 23 will be held from 8th March 2024 to 23rd March 2024. And on behalf of Her Excellency Commissioner for Health, Humanitarian Affairs and Social Development, Her Excellency Ambassador Minata Samate Sesuma, potential partners and stakeholders to support the Republic of Ghana towards the hosting of very, very successful African Games in 2024.
Nti Dr. Dishos Chimpandi and Alteneka coordinated my AU Sports Council no and obi PMO Ghana na nra hwese Mexico so na jude sum and on this issue mukesi it certain time so out sampa nyame adoma on the 8th of March enkopim 23rd of March 2024 and African Games at Ghana YGCSS so film santia ipia de sheda no we need that for frampen for chese nyame adoma dwumedie kese na ebetua santo fa mo hwemu dia na say there's no other day because enchibia no after March na eko epum no na say hwese Mexico so man for be preparing for other games and no so betua say pimti kwenya bia ni wa ebetua san beda ho biu Dr. Kwakufu so asare ene eye openya ono ana ehwe local organizing committee no so Ghana ono so de na no tunkomonim.
We'll be arriving from the 5th to 7th. So 5th, 6th, 7th. The interesting aspect also is that 6th of March is our Independence Day. And we want to give them the opportunity also to have a feel of how we celebrate our Independence Day. This year we are 66 years. So in 2024 we'll be 67. And don't forget that our first president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, was one of the founding fathers of the African Games. So it will be very interesting to see how our brothers will be joining us to celebrate our independence. You remember he said the independence of Ghana is meaningless unless it's linked to the total liberation of Africa. So it's an opportunity for us to bring the entire Africans together. And one of the key objectives of the African Games is unity. And another key pillar is peace. And if you consider what is going on the continent, it will be a very good opportunity for us to promote peace, unity, solidarity, brotherliness, and to ensure that we create a very, very important opportunity for the youth.
See, Dr. Kwakufu Swasa, local organizing committee, no, ono na eti brekese na atene ka so de nkomo 18 sejas nyame adoma African Games no ebe de so bi ba bi nyame adoma yewese na hye ne besi akọ de afa sa adwumadi no ho but yen santin tomo nkrafo fom de a ne yenko athletics mu na no ana mebeyi wasotre se Asafa Power Jamaica for sprinter ba kwa e America tu bra na pa de a papa watu bi atwam ene wode ne tian san kire Ghana nkra ne chese na yere fence Alicia Air Power ono so Ghana ni mapa oba ne chese ofiadan fo hye so ba bi ana finance fo nso bi efi Cape Coast so ntie emina so se wode ne kunu eba fie emfie bebre ni no afi ana mo san ba fie on ba fie nso a omo ehwe nim se nyame adoma omo ebetimi asa ene emabunu nso a omo ne gye mrekatu no so etiensa ahwetwe nkomo se be a omo betiansa hwe nkran omo dwumadi a omo din Asafo Power eno na adwo de som enya kwanya ene twe nkomo radio so na nkomo bia eno so epie mu ni.
I saw you presenting a bag to the Minister for Youth and Sports. What was in the package?
It was a lot of Jamaican goodies in it.
A lot of Jamaican goodies?
Yeah, so Jamaican goodies. And also, a book to really, that speaks about Jamaican history and the sport.
Oh, okay. So I'm sure that the popular thing that Jamaica is noted for by Ghanaians and Africans, you have some in that package.
Yes, a lot. Yeah, a lot of that is in the package.
Hey! Asafa Power. Yeah. You are a great man. Yeah, but in fact, in most of the Jamaican videos, you see people smoking weed. You also smoke?
No, I don't smoke.
Okay, so do you take the herbs as tea or something?
Tea?
No. Yeah.
Huh?
No, we don't take any.
No tea, no.
Derby.
Everything normal green tea.
Oh, okay, normal green tea, eh?
Yes.
Oh, okay, Asafa Power.
Enti Asafa Power, the legendary Jamaican sprinter, and I'll tell can say, and when I do this, and then drink much say, oh, the bag can see co-chair minister. I read bag and out to Sampa, Jamaican Yama Brina, and a woman Tibana to Sampa, Minister Sate, Yusu Jamaican Yamano, I was sending Yama Asia Cobat Nere and the Genie Alicia Power, and so any drink no chess, Ushia Asafa Power, and so social media and crying crab, but then you know, and a trust of a poor no share, send Alicia, a Miller Poor, no one facing Fana, no started so tronic crank, Instagram. And a fire and a omowareno.
The Asafa Usiano Eva.
Michelle Instagram.
Oh, okay. And you're a wild girl. Now what Ghana and I say.
No, I'm not a wild girl. He slid in my DMs. I don't know.
I don't know about DM.
Yes.
Hey, Alicia, we're cool. Hey, come with there. I would love to see you. And son of Marco cry. The Ghana to say move after him say for a long while in a Mumbai Ghana and Maba. Mobile
Ghana, AFF.
Okay, Ghana.
Yes, Ghana.
Now, who to me can I say we American where you may be? Suffer show Instagram soon.
I'm a fashion model.
Oh, okay.
Nti Mrs. Alicia Mela Power, Asafa Power, na yere no. And I'll tell the council no so didn't come 18 Saturday no just on Tumika or no mobile nyehwe or park so now so Asafa Power ba ne dia mu or Instagram tie na e Instagram na wa kompoto hu yese be betia saboa ye trowa na waje so na fie dia kwa anim e wo se na niam Asia ko general manager e de ma Dreams Football Club Aminu Shadow enso de nkomo kakra jae na no ada emra ye kopie mu e wo Ghana Digital Centers na fie bese nkwankwa betia fa so ama ye supporters na aboma se be e wo ya group ma so e wo dwumadi a Sempa Sports itimi sa de bae na edwumadi a e Sempa Sports edwumadi a ye hwe nim se kwa bia so no ye betia aboa ma stakeholders nso etia kom habom adwendwene ho kwankwa ebetia fa so amanipa aba stadium abehwe matches no Aminu Shadow enkoma odijani
interaction and mobilization. Fantastic. It's very key. We need to also devote resources into nurturing your support base. Very, very key.
Yeah, I think
and one way, Samates Omoyano. In fact, I'm picking so many lessons because I had a shock of my life. Because I came for FA Cup, I say football. But when you go into the communities, in fact, people almost supported Division 2 clubs even more than Premier League clubs because Division 2 is within their community and they feel part of it. Until we can replicate it at the highest level, we should bring the fans and supporters close to the club, open the club up, let them be part of it. Once they feel a part of it, a bare obligation, on every match day, they have to go to it. So that's what happens everywhere in the world. They feel obligated on match day, say, can support it because they feel part and parcel of the football club. Any one thing now, we share most of stadiums now, supporter participation any high. We share mupa, we say, our engagement with our supporters no. Form pa.
Nti Asempa FM Sports Dialogue Series and another the baso Accra Digital Centers no and I say general manager Edema Dreams Football Club Aminu Shadow papai oye FIFA scholar ana ene odene komo 18 sedwa no na yekomo ewo Edmond Aka ono so eye penya oye general manager Edema Samates Football Club ewo Sama Boy Ton na papai ye can supporters group a aboa mobilize bi penny or move adwuma makotoko ne ade a ono so the experience etudwa ewo Asempa FM Sports Dialogue na say
even the premier now you start here now you model your engagement. A boss be to me our Sambo supporters for stadium. You will go there not to say the way or no open forum or okay, I'll send it to management. You know George we move forward.
Okay.
For us whether Kotoko has whatever numbers we need. But the only thing now Bekacho will say,
but the key issue back home say, I don't know. So you agree with the general secretary? Say the Obaye was summer boy. I did support the Beba Stadium. No, only the same thing. For instance, Ebia Dew, and I want to mean the same thing. Bechim community beyond the SOE. You
of course that's what I yes. It involve opinion leaders and for all youth no crew or no and then. Around no. Sebechira entry your rep room, you will be Asankragwa, you will be some boy crew one kesa. yɛwɔ ebi
aka ana Summer Boy ton kwan fo Summer Boy fo fa so ko hwe akensie na o cheche se na ema si akoso ya Massamates Football Club eno so nkomo no nyame adoma be di san hye nyina chi na ahwe nim se ebetimi dia adwuma na boa ema Ghana yagopoma so no ugudu ani kire wa bonse nipa aboma se bia omo ebehwe matches on match days na nemri tumi se bo kwa no week 19 midweek matches emu be de wrestle na Asia kwa na se teams a omani abre ehwe nim se nyame adoma ombetindi akensi na tia pem so ne 1st of March Ghana month games betia sabaso ni Gold Stars beton se da friends ratamano ma hyesi akan na nado mahina tan wodo mahenkro na Duana Stars ene Kumase Kemfasa large busa se inshallah onyame tumiti obetimi ade nkuni mo sa akensi bataduana ebeku Kemfasa dinti we straight bet obetimi atwa no adi ne befu afi Kutokurias ene Dean Football Club so de betin tam so ewo omakensi na afi Real Tamale United ene Accra House of Folk so another cracker and so ebetia sa to Tamale United for no one on fire has of phone so hwenim se kwan bias no on betia climb ladder no our league log no so Accra Great Olympics match of the week no Oli Gbogbo Oli Mashi Oli Konson omne media mass sporting club so at the betting time so Accra Sports no ya pani ko hwe se na hye ABC akona fe Chelsea and Samates e dey akensi ne etian sambo so na Legon City e beton se da fe Tamale City where the battle between the cities e hwe se na hye ABC akọ Karela e betan nyina si campa ko na fe omne Accra Lions nkranjata and dey akensi ne betian boss na fe match ba ko a emu be den we crucial dicey Titanic crunchy nyame adoma kotoko e wo fie no one be chemi na tene case in the betia pem so Bechem United and Omo captain Agbesi me kire say am pass na Mexico so no Omaya husensie yama koye yame adoma omkokun tokwadi ama manfa tunfo gotemu e okuma senti we akensi ba kwa emu be den pa the live commentaries no ebetia sabro no se na nema besi akọ e midweek matches awodro eno so 18 santof megina we so na madawase na mama omo enehwe e Adom TV so one expert have always told you that betting is better than sakawa Jeffas Mr. Dreko e ba shops and pharmaceutical shops nema on sabetia ke be infections e do ebo prapro harawa na omno bo ho e ma otimi di nchineche sedimo gel and roll on ya odie bia fu apampa so be pemo na ase no eyi free hot na eboa e ma otinya kwarensa we radimbo modern da so on sabetia ka sa product be betia boa e ma niama etia tutu e ma medin de Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and Mijina of course evidence-based sports presentation it mijao the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.
Na Ghana manti kura Easton for him away. Ya bodwa Easton for him away hefa. Wodi ade no eti enso ni sha nane ebo piao nana o ah kama mo tutata nana we otina brochu ti ase ni niam ayo na ya brochu ah ohemanie piao nana unkwaso piao ajobre ya fanisi so eh tu bako yenu tu ya to so miensa nana nie tu piao nana unkwaso abna hemani o ya hima bedru nana kwaba ya oba me wana brongo ton no mo frɛ me sɛ yesi nana ade te o sɛ me bankran na ehu hia sɛ me ba na wo so eja ye frɛ of ton fi istin e pwe for ho ye obi a ho ye atifi for ho ye pa nana na e kire
Ache boko. Nyame adom bibia boko.
Nyame ase.
Ya mama kwa abanso.
Pia ya da ase.
Echi ne benche yodoma wa bedru ha asumdue mu.
Pia ya do twedi anko ase.
Aye Ghana man feedi. Acha se Ghana amamre ni amane bia.
Se fata.
E wo se ye emane ye fe.
Se fata na
ya kono.
Pia.
Nti na poye asante ene north. Ene ye te hei.
Eti ha. Pia.
Minje mu mawe.
Yo. Nana no nya bone. Adom TV for frame me. Se Ghana bosom ne yen rem. Ti se fata se mantam bia no ade ne de hye besi akonya ne so. Ti na akoba ne se afia mankwa atamaklo. Ene hema yesi no asante hema. Na wodi ne kra no ne mrane no ne din wonche mu kakra.
Midin afia amankwa no. Afia no ye befi.
Oh.
Na afia ye ekona ebusia mu na mifire.
Piao.
A mifire goso.
Piao.
Amankwa no so ya amankwa pam.
Piao.
Mankwa papa bi. Aha, ti no na se obisa mi akakra mo.
Kakra betimi di amaye.
No.
Jo. Nyane Easton. Wanso e wudin abna pokua ahwene no. Nche mu ne sen.
Abna pokua se me ye benada.
Okay.
Aha, se ye benada kusia. Na ho na bena ni free. Na pokua no so ye de meto me nana ba.
Okay.
Maja maame. Obono mu free. Esansi ene omukura. Nti pokua ne ho ni free. Na ahwene no eye pokua emrane.
Okay.
Aha.
Oh, okay.
Nti obetimi akase adusi poku. Na so poku ahwene.
Okay.
Aha, na me ye sede me fa ahwene ne nka pokua no ho. Na enye kama na enye de. Eno a.
Ede mo nsempa. Yeso nsempa ye na ne abusua ne akoye no Adom TV bosomi ye TV fo no. Na nano matena sese ye be kire won din mu. Wati din no afia mankwa atamakula kyeresen ma wo. Abena pokua ahene e kyeresen e de ma wo. Ti bosomi na Adom TV obi a ho no tetefi no esu bia no. Aya ade a ye be kire ni din mu. Ni a kire ne bobre be bi ofri enton a wobo. Na ye ni nyina abrewo. Eti ye hwe na hema ne mrane na chi.
Yeah.
Ne niema na da so na busua mu hwe bi mfa e ma ye hema na piao. Piao, onka so piao. Oh, hema bi na ho efese. See as na not ya brochi. So say nyoma yom nyina foreign culture. Fresh nana pa. Eti no obi ama me ni krom asa ba akona. Afi ye mo nche ye nnuane no. Oh, wo ba etifi honom a. Ye ne de yagudie ne simple. Wey eye fugu. Asa ye de sane o so pejam na ehuri nana wo te hentimi nsa asa bia wo wanim sa. Pacho ekwan da ho a.
Ekwan da ho.
Me da se piao. Chabusia ukoni say woyo say ya busia nana pacho edase nanu ano no enu nana sketu e bi wuti hade ya empanifo obedwama ye ni agro
ka ye bi ka ho a
nana me das
nana makwan
Easton chame mo ye kakra aha
Easton no ene aka ni nyina no ya na ye adowa no mo
okay
aha teja wo danda ho anu wa wosusu bia
abasa no mami ode abasa no
mami ode baby obi a no pay ye chia no wa mantem
ode ye chia wo
ye chia no tie no so ye be dan kakra
e tie ne dan eh se kwa na pacho kwa da ho
wadaroma
onkoso
me da se nana nyamenyo okesi
enko
se ye kono sa
na ekọ na eba
hey piao wo himo abna pokua ni ahene famo adwa we adwa zo nto
onkoso
aha ketabam aha abasano no ha no ya da nana ti dwam wa hwese nyina ye ohene de onsa bedwam ohene nsa bedwam ti asante hema patwa daroma cheye wo kro no nnuane kakra wo moye original nnuane a mo ana ya starting feasting na nanka salas
sa
easy
yen hwe apoye mantam mu nnuane ahodo bi a mudi
nnuane ne de edoso na bako a ye beka se ehoho na ye nimpa bako bi beka se pedewa ehye da nye nu
okay tina ba kire ye no
enemafo no bisa na asem mpa
hunu ka no correct
na ye ka pay the one na wo be wie bibia na ye tese mu asi ho abom nti wo ti no mu na wo de aka abenkwanya api ho pa na eyabro ni se wonim egbemi se de ye so abro
enu ye fe ni mpi hu na
dabi enu we kra na yabro
okay
pay the one yabro aduane ti no eyabro no waso ho so ho obesan si kakra se de bato ma ne mfi bebre
ebedi dam bisa
ebedi dam kakra na wodi so asi ja so de nchine kakra tum se de wo be no amo nso ni hura na wodi abro na waso ho asan si no na wodi agum nti wo be no mo a de bankuta be no mo a se de wo ye banku no nso we ni ya bro ya so ho nti wo be no mo a kosi se agin so san se ya bro mo no nti agin so obenu mu akosi obehunu se abro no aye mre
adondon
na no ne de se ye ni no hyehyehye nti de se mpanyifo etie ni mu no ibo abetumi ano na nwumre ama na si ho na ade ache
so
ti bedo na adwo na ache se adaye nti woti ni mu a na ade ato
enkwan ni
abenkwanya api nti de bia na ye di no asadi chinim se bia wano na ade ache so anaso betumi pa wonu ama ni se ho e wo se dwokra se de obenya
na obetumi
adi ni ye eno so ye fe no pedewa ne ba kwa
waka ama me kwa
do na nya so te ha ka mesan kwan
kan che wa obeka se bia bibimu a abom but se mo tu no na ye de ye ti sanity
jo na
pampa akatimpin eno so ho
ye beba ho na ye Christian for jimudin wo ku
ya papa
na ye se panyi kasa wi na nsu asenti no mamenka ne a etifi ho no me aduane a ye so ye wo baako na me hye emotion nso se ye ade a ne ye hemani a ene wono ne ye celebrate no ntine ye de effective ne so biem na mahu nana wo yi akwan wo se ade ye chensa se efia amankwa the first piao ena edaso no wono ne ye hema for the day ane asante hema papa itina na minua Eastern H mu no oba etifi ho nso a aduane baako akoye snack ama ebibiman obianu mbie ye fa no Burkina nanso na abakwasem e Burkina ni mu se eheda anya ya aduane e Burkina fo de na esanse ene omobọ nhia entino yesu a yaso mu se ye de na wo se Burkina no milk no niam bi gugugugu mu sa na ahwe de ya wehu kofo pifi say ye wheat nana nye wheat ayo millet no na millet no de be ko machine ni anyam na afi wo de ba wa twen ama na dwo wo biebie ma na dwo a na afi wa pe bibi ti second ten na ade agum wo don safa so say na eyi nkruwa egum kakra na asa de se kosi se be yi nkruwa nketenkete na afi no wo de asija so hyane so millet no ni se nsuo eka enti wei no wo de da asen be susu a nsuo ehuru no apepan foforo na afei wo de agum na ade agu wo de asida asen so akata so na mpatro nsuo kamelet na asei no kre eti esi so sa na wo dane no eni sisa kala ye brown pe
asabin
wo millet na ye ready na milk ne so no ye fa milk papa nwan no fi ye chim ni sei ya papa original ye nyusu fake o wati ye tifi honom fresh na adu flavor na esi che kakra afafa nana shegu botu samelet nugu nana wusum bonogro Burkina na ben sana etifi aso aduane ba kwa
modu ne boy de ebo asujafo no
na me pa cho me sem fansuo nkan o
fansuo nkan
dinsuo kan wasai nana wadaro ma me sem fansuo nkan
matena me ba
medase chuti
aso watwe adwe si ho
medase
na wasante aduane ba ko pa ya na tetemremu ne edi ene wo ho baten ejada ne ko asene ne yakwa abrofo aya ne me de pa ye nuhu make potom
na bompanifo aduane
yes make no pe kra no mamre ntesu
nana nkwaso
si de wo hia no menken wa sensene wo adwade asi ejaso na se de ya omo ye ne simple be mo obi ahunu ye ne ye nye de utwitwa wo menken ne nketenkete de gu jane mu a no so wa amane bia wo bubu aka ho na ne awuje ne no mako watwi
nana me ntasio nana me ntasio
enti Ghana manti wutwi ne sana de agu so we nuhu
mankan no
na esi ja so no
ben kakra no watwi makoni jeni papa bi de akakaduro so aka ho na wo de garlic kakra yi awo no na de agum
tuni mankani na that TV no so mankani no mankani no
itu uye na sa wie pe se no so sa e bia unya ma momone e de tum wo bra wo de ye de mu apopon no bi de mu
ah they are born 3 days
sa unya bi na de gum a na do makonu jeni na waka o de nyina ka ho a bo se na ehuru kakra na ehuru to bo se be hura na enso no aye pika
okay
ese ben ba no ti de wuhia na wonwo enwo no kra penso betime de ayi kakra che so no ahwi agum
na mpatwa be de
zomio angubia na aduane ne yawie ya say aduane we se wudi na wie a oh my god
na ha ye no pay
mi akra ma ha me ho
yenkodi dwa
yawie ya bi be hyehyɛ so
yenkodi dwa akra ma ha me ho
yenkodi dwa mfa hyehyɛ so
aduane we no mu na wose yedie na kire sampa wo ye Ghana ni Ghana for ye ni ani bi ni asante aduane ba awia
se
me kan wo a wo hwɛ mu ofie na awia wo nim bi obedi ene ye de ama wo
nana
ibi kan ni ye kan ni
potong
e ma won no so
ketwe akre bi te se ni kala keke
ena enhuno menkan ni nyina me bi ne dem na wo
apo na da wanu nana
me mi ama ha me ho anopai
nana nyankwada
ka me kan na kesi mani
wa awie ya na ye
tutu sa
nana ye bedidi
enyele
nana ye bedidi
ye be
Sandra kako wo ye bedidi
ena ya adwen se Ghana manti ye be ye bibia ye Ghana ti ye tie bia na be
bedidi aba ha yo
mo ne de ese su
Penny for madam was
near the Burkina aka ho
Burkina
near the one so aka ho
asoso
we are one ya so ye say aduane ni ho na ye di one way ye ya ma ye one way
na one way sesem tiabusia wo say ye nyina ye baako before we ye eastini before we asantini before me free stream no ye nyina ye Ghana fo ansana ya be ye eastini tiabusia ye nyina ye kroya Ghana be kwa anim Ghana busumi Adom TV yes wo say we are Ghanaians and Jewazuli na mpacho ma mo video kakra na mesamra hifie ha abusia ye besisia abusia mon sempa busumi Adom TV ye beton ye duane ya mamre ya mane ne ese facha se Ghana ni jo no je be ye nyina na mpacho madam asese ne munya abre ebesra jene nti ma wo manfo bia semba ko na faje o mokwan e fama me abna
na me hyase e wo apoemantemu se wo kwa apoemantemu a na ebraso ena yo benembo sumi dedi kan ne chese match mu ano no ebra ga na nya ne fa hudie we ye de etoso ye nya mfiedu siensia 66 years ye nya nkwada nti apoemantemu ye nimse ye wade pa ye wagudie na kwan pa ye be fa so to agudie no eno na de mfa so papa ani puto be ba apoemantemu nti Sandy Same wo hay amatiwa
piawo
ye bese forma godie tu a enam mmra kwan so galamsey munya mayen na yesu ahodo no enti medase
ye dase forma ye dase nana pacho we do adawo mama mfo asemtie bi
tiawa meka e de ato emabunu ye wa sante ene ne mpotamu nyinara
piawo
ye mfa ni die ni buo ma ye mpanimfo
piawo
na ye nkwa na aware
piawo
mo ani ntira wani nton odi ani die ma mpanimfo a unyini che unya nkwatentene bibia wo ye bia nso koso nti empre wo ho enkopose na pose amoja beba bro ho ase na hye mpanimfo ase na nyini che medase
na ebusuan ye nso na namu na na sorry o piawo ohima of the day eni afia amankwa abna pokua ahwenie Ghana busum ye local names nkwa mesome ye amatiwa papa tinana ebekode a ebusuan mumye nja ye kwan yeda mu nyina amasese munya amre ene ye hye Ghana busumi no mamunyim afidie emfri Adom tinana dada hwen piao mehema ani o wo hema fresh wo hema honam ne nnome enche ice wom
Yada se samwa kwa bebie me Adom TV Badwam na ohwe no Ghana month emu ene ya hye ntino ene ya first match ne de Awurade ne yeda na se ono odo ya sase no onfa ye enko awie ye pa yada se bra ye drei ye won komota obi e wo ho ya pomuden Dr. Time da so e wo ha
ayere ne babedi enkomo na fe yahwe se bosumi we de ni kwan se ye de yare bi ewuramu dog anopai ye mo akwaba na bibia boko de
bibia boko
ye de nyame ase Dr. Time daso
time daso
egusu aye na adwuma
enya asam
sa no obi ma menyonko bi a me frɛ no ka ho asem so de ne papa ba ho ase na maame bibia ye kama ye de nyame ase koso na ye ne sa pepe pensesa no se de adehye na gye watomo no koso na ye ne sa fa ma wo ene ye ntie ne bia na ne de di kan ye obi ti udin no
sa mate efa aseda ma twedi ampo kwa me wona otonsu boy wia na ene de me kan se onyankopon asem ama nipa nim de edi nkugu efise emfidie se yale bi eni aduro de enimdifo ekeka no se emfidie se yale bebro ho a eni aduro ba nyankopon asem ne se onyankopon tumi sa yale nyina nyame asem ese nyankopon tumi sa yale nyina ba nyankopon nam Dr. Tam da soso ama enema enimdifo asua ni nyina edi nkugu efrise yale bia eni ho a eba mede mafo heba clinic ya onyankopon adom yentumi mfatam entoso enti wadin sa wo yale bi na yaka sa yale we de eni aduro eno na de wuko wo mo mpacho omo ka ye no omo nyina adi nkugu efrise nyankopon nam Dr. Tam da so ye nsankyere ne akese ye anwanwade nipa bebre na ye dikre won senka omewuo wona wofura burukyire wona wofura Ghana ha ya emfidia ye nipadua mu hwehwemu kyere se nipadua we entumi ntenase biem ba nyankopon adom na ebeduru Dr. Tam da so aso ye ya Doctor de ebre etosoa empa ho entima me yale bia hawo atete wo ada wo so wache na wadwen se eni aduro no onyankopon de oyaresafo bi aba abepie mo oman Ghana mu anaso ye ewo kumase ebu akwa agogo eho na wo ba na Dr. Shaw nansa wo shaw enenan wo shaw enenum ne bra ode to yale so na empa ho na yarefo na amani edin Dr. Tam da so enti be PM wo kumase ebu akwa agogo na doctor wo shebra to yare so onfani brani bi ento wo yare so da bia metaka asem bi sem wo dia wo ba ho na wo nimu hwe no betnasi kom na wona wa ba ho da no wona ayarefo na odila nimu no bisa won se me ma hada me pacho mo na modikan abaha wo ba ha sei na etie na obeti adansia hodoa wona waba hoda adie obisi doctor me ba na mani enhuna de ena mia na me baaye me ba ye soa me ebu ho se wo beduro week wi na ye de yale ni bi ba wo no se nipa no ontumi nsolu biem se nipa no sambra ni week na sambra se nipa korona obo se ampa oyale safo ene ewurade na ewurade nam Dr. Tam da so ye nsankyere ne akese nyankopon adom ebubuafo nante enifrafo nyina tumi sina panie stroke diabetes pressure yadia na yesuro kania enka ekanipa efieja edum no nyina ene nyankopon nam Dr. Tam da so ene diabetes nyina ye 30 case pressure nyina aye 30 case mesisi mechika se mikotoge minasi atata mikoda mintumi na mewidie mu hyehyeme ni nyina ye 30 case wo medima fo ya back clinic evize onyankopon ye medanse ni trodo se ye wo obi a ni kurom ofin so abofo maami wachia ama krome nyina kura se ye trodi fia ye se komami a wachia ne efie ena ye de kyere maami fi ni kurom ba na wachia inshira enka ewurade nyankopon oba medimafo haba clinic ya okofie no na watne maami bi asanto a ose ne ma de ne ko abroche se ni mu akwa 73 years ne ma se ye wosika ye maami mu nkoa okodi US enfie mienu broni se obi nya 73 na ne mu koa eduro bi ani wiase a obetumi dia masa ni pan ama ne mu atene enhyira enka ye ewurade nyankopon onam Dr. Tam so ye nsankyere ne akese ene maami mu atena otumi epra eye ne bibia ekire se ayaresa enye mfidie ayaresa eye eduro nyankopon echira so betaka mase bi se nipa wa ye car no car seye a ono na onim kwan obafo esiesie amana ayete se de na etie kane na otoye ne enti se wo heme wo gitum se nyankopon ne bo nipadua no na se ba bi esintowo chimatie bia ono pa ne betumi esiesie a menje wo ho achinye onam Dr. Tam na so yensen kyerene akese ewo oman Ghana mu ama ebia so afoforo so oman a etwa ye ho ahie nyina agye atum se ampa ayare saba be PM wo Kumase ebu akwa agogo wada de mu ache wachinchin ache na so ka wakoma toyem ebra esede nyankopon hye ne ho animonyam na mesu be PM wo medimafo heba clinic nkoansa wo yale no wo se wo de sese kampo ni wabusuafo ache dia ebeti wo de so wo medimafo heba clinic bema wo hwemi a obema ne awuo doctor say ube PM na edi 24 hours na ansori ade upe bia be ye free say eno de ayekata woni te be PM wo Kumase ebu akwa agogo metaka kire obi a ohemi se ema ye kwan enye tenten ma ya clinic eye ba ko pe ewo oman Ghana mu ye nton ye duro wo ba bia obu tise wo bi se medimafo aduro ni anatam na so aduro ni na oton a police station benwa ma yenche no yento bi wo ba bia madika ka se medimafo heba clinic ni ya mfa me pesika wa Ghana ye wonuro bebra Food and Drug Authority I registered yama medimafo heba clinic ba ye mfa ye dron kogu pharmacy shop biemu if you say ye per se ye hwe oman Ghana yie enka sabre enka clinic wo kwa kaso abi wo ho ba bi obefa bi wo je se ye di pesika da bi ye se ye hia wa yare sa no enti na doctor say ba bia wo bia no ube PM wo Kumase ebu akwa agogo a nyankopon adom obesa wo yale ya so ye ba akopọ wo Ghana ha eye Kumase eye Asante Mantem ba bia wo fi ba bia wo si Kumase aso wo besi ebu akwa police station winya si police station wo pe wo si wo de wo pe kura wura police station wo say me ko medimafo ye de wo be ko nyankopon adom march eye Easter Monday, Easter Tuesday, and Wednesday. No, Dr. Tam that's sign chana chedi no TV no me pacho TV no ye mako 50 Easter Monday ye beche obi obabo bi ansa beka emo ne anwa Easter Tuesday ye beche TV no 25 now Wednesday ye check 25 ye de ma ona wo card wo medimafo heba kra wo pese on saka bia me pacho efi na ekoya hyase beje waya de sa wanya waya de sa konkono no doctor sandu brebia o say sabaji TV we tell say onyankopon na soma doctor say o mehu ne man mobo be PM wo Kumase ebu akwa agogo na doctor wo shebra to yare so no ofo de brani be ento so na nya waya de sa efi say ayare sa de wo pa eye baby ba ko pe eye medimafo heba clinic pe usan ye ho a baby furo bi anye de eni ho bi
doctor time that so the number no and the screen no ase and medo for free say 0500727215 0500727215 doctor time that so and the screen no ase na fe de akere wadwen de okan de wan kan den so opemu enchire mu no ofre na na ne de nkomodo ge phone si ha yada se papa pa medin de afia amankwa tamaklo o se ne savida womo adaroma savida bonre kente womo na address me sama me womo number no na me mfa mo womo na se bia wo ye wedding wo ye bibia wo pe amamre de address wo ho de a savida bonre kente womo no mo Instagram mo Facebook na dash ma me womo number ana yenya Facebook yes savida ubenya womo on my address or kama me post me picture me do contact beto on phone o modi ensa wo so me dey fear amankwa tamaklo me ko manhene kwabna santia ye krado etwaso.
Speaker, another significant feature of this draft constitutional instrument is the proposal to adopt the Ghana card as the sole source of identification for any person who wishes to register as a voter. This implies that the guarantor system, which hitherto allowed a registered voter to vouch for the citizenship and age of prospective applicants will no longer be relied upon as part of our registration exercise. The reason is that over the years, the guarantor system has presented us with several challenges. Unfortunately, we were unable to discard it much earlier due to the absence of a national identification card such as the one issued by the NIA. The challenges with the guarantor system are twofold. First of all, it opens the door for registered voters or guarantor contractors to guarantee and vouch for persons who are less than 18 years old. Secondly, it allows these guarantors to vouch for persons who are not citizens of Ghana. Such unqualified persons, usually minors and foreigners, use the door of the guarantor system to try to get onto our register. Mr. Speaker, it is important to note that to rid the register of minors and foreigners in the year 2020, the Electoral Commission established the district registration review committees, which worked for several days and weeks in all districts to expunge the names of minors and foreigners from the register. We were able to successfully expunge close to 40,000 minors and foreigners from the register during the registration exercise. It has been argued that this number is not significant, but we beg to differ, and we refute the argument and state that one unqualified person on our roll is one too many. In short, it is possible to have these 40,000 legal persons determine the future of our dear country, and collectively, we must not allow this.
I want to believe that she traveled to Nigeria on a Ghanaian passport and not a Ghanaian national ID card. We need you to establish, and Mr. Speaker, we are demanding that this is established. We want technical evidence of data sharing infrastructure between the National Electoral Commission, the National Identification Authority. She says that 10 million people use Ghana card. It means that some 3.4 million use other references other than Ghana card, where their votes illegitimate and they did undermine our democracy. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Can you explain? And for the past a month, in Koma, the usage of Ghana card and the NIA funds so na mo to omutu no challenges also. I'm sure say also anopai the other side of the coin. In fact, nano dynamic can we could see so last year around June, honum baby na the Opposition National Democratic Congress ekoka says sa etimpona Ghana for Yabai Electoral Commission NIA abo say the sole card acknowledged for almost all the things that we are doing, inclusive will be about to know. Yanya careful the maintain who was in it who yene basa ebeba. That was last year, early last year. DNA the ekika kono Electoral Commission for Abekasa, NIA for Abekasa, both political parties almost have their interest in Parliament and so Abekasa. But what are the realities and what are the challenges and the way out of the situation, if there is, and there should be. And Untina, quick notice, Yedemano, one of our finest young politicians, Okati across all political divide, or your Pentecost, or the field of academia, philanthropists and agriculturists. The submissions in Parliament on national issues they be adameka as I see the Melbourne campaign for say they be campaign for no feed out enya Melbourne bit makase we fully trust their competence no matter between sana mono and its political journey what demonstrated say ampa except say your man akwenya kore so chen dia money ewo eye emrashi bedwam
and the constituency. Mr. Yina no pay. Yina fa ho akese pa. Era Ahmed, the for Ahmed Ibrahim, Ukobanda, Adeshia, one war no. On any one insia name for a parliament. Oba parliament is right. Dom Kumano, the DBN, a minority chief whip, and a deputy whip, and as a first deputy minority whip, Afishapa.
Mijusuminu.
We better call.
Minimum
constituency come because that me who say. Any pebi abuabo musika no na obakofa okrata e dey but me who am so we dey out of it now we demonstrated any part you've been all these years I want na sa constituency constituency ba ko sa Mr. Munti ye be to aba o e fekeke e ho beje go giga o be jire was that in time na kunya no dey call the baby they love him even though the MPP wants to unseat him. That's another story we can talk about later. Gofona kofa away ni ma. Now ni mubi ana.
Yeah, my hene ma memfa wafidi so na minchia etie ne Adom TV. Kama ya kan Adom FM.
Ni nyina si wa.
Because ene manya kwanya tra my first radio station, national radio station, a training me Adom FM.
Okay.
Na sorry free Accra Ekotema every morning. Yeah. Me be MP in 2009.
Yeah.
4 years nana me a backbencher. I was sitting at the last seat in Parliament. And every day bia na me wa akwanya me call Adom TV ba. Na me ne akwanya e wo Parliament. Say mpanyimfo na e koba. Nti Adom FM. And my mom opportunity Ghana for a team voice.
Good.
Nti say nde ma beye media friendly. Me call GIJ. And I mean call journalist school bia. My media relations kakra mi a courtesy multimedia Adom FM.
Wow.
Na oma ina machia yeti for ne omo hweyen ewi mesan adawasi ene akwanya kese amodi amami ene in particular.
Yeah.
Because ene ne special day ewo parliament ye jumedia ye kwa kodi no 10 o'clock ya onwa press conference be baso na will be some constituency asem se uba constituency a me nipa o mogidi se de adwuma no ma wa ye adwuma no wo ye adwuma na omo a wo ye ma omo no be feel se adwuma no wa ye amomo amane democracy no the democratic dividends omo to aba no ma wo no ombenya no so omunsa ka you don't need explanation by west you don't need campaign. Bible say onyuma pa bedi wachi your deed shall follow you. And they say we papa it will follow you, bonia it will follow you. And they say ya mama kwanya 15th year na me wo mu. Me ba parliament 2008 2009. Na check man track record. Me be ye MP for time. If free say me free time. Ejuma pa me ye what time. And into every 4 years be a time for say obi to say Ahmed. And every 4 years biano omu change MP. Nobody has gotten to a second term in time after me. Me ba time a develop time emma ye nini pano building relationships ma ye develop ne pano. Etuya nipa school fees, develop human resources, connect communities, develop secondary school, establish even new secondary schools. About health, about energy, about education, about human resources. No ma ye no e ma time for no can say oh me ko e che mo mama ko bana in so ko ni fan hene e ba ohwe minimum o si honorable o si kwa wo ko no e ye ya nanso ye ni hwe be ye wo ba wo nim ne ntiam se da bi o si wo ye nyame ne pantia in so ko ni fan
this ni fan hene na ka say
ni fan hene o si kwa wo ko no ye ya and na akusi say he was no exactly but na bibie no ho a metimi aye inti me call ho ni 4 years me di ma agentutu ni 4 years e no di ma Gabriel say ni 4 years e no di ama Sulemana Adama inti after me no because always they say we want somebody like Ahmed inti na 2016 we no na sitting no MPP for I had to go to tell them say ye na di Sulemana Adama Eba and they voted in time for him. In the time for no to me bana ka say bana mumumpe mu nipa na mufa no maye. Sampa for German of for ba and Consecutively, I've been voted the best MP in the Bono region, both MPP and DC combined. In the year, adia eye adefu frose Mabono no beka boom. Say ye baby Jikrata Ama Ahmed. And I made, to be frank, Minyanko, since I be a nomination, because of a Juma ye wanti Minyanko, three big communities are more district. Apart from the district capital, maybe free district capital, the three biggest communities I can say, said ye honorable develop ye no. Omayene, ye can't development power, put infrastructure aside. Me my infrastructure no answer. Ere de okọ be hu say we so amawa we dia dance. There is no single school under 3-man constituency. Yes, my humility. There is no single technical zone without a chief compound. My eliminate.
Are you just
there? I'm telling, go there. Munko na munko ye exactly.
This is Banda you're talking about.
I'm telling you. But when I came, MP, there was no secondary school there. Na Obiansu, and there was 0% recording. Zero. So we JHS. Obian to me passing. Enko secondary school. Go to Ghana Education Service Ewakraha. Nakoji the 2000 to 2008 BEC results. Neji the 2009 to date BEC results.
There's a big difference.
And a big difference. It was 0, 2007. The whole Ghana, we were last but one district.
Banda,
I'm telling you. 2000, Kintampo, Jema, they were last, the whole Ghana. And we were last but one. So when I became MP, me call the universities, I said, this is what is happening. The ACC were my so on, but mumu dear na yebeya fa until me call Tech, me call Legon, me call Espoli, me call Cape Coast. And I me call Boa University for Banafua no mwatimi call university at that time, the whole Ghana no more 10.
Wow.
I'm telling you, this is the inconsistency I inherited. 10 nonson omo free bana and omo ba university no straight to. Omo awofo no atokwan. Ebia na ne maame atokwan ba betena Kumasi. Enti wako school no kuma JSS no Kumasi na wako banda dishi na wako. But from the district
real banda
obientimi. So me catch on, so what do we do about it? I'm say sadia me common fund no be ma mo 50% scholarship. Ye point mo ma kwan. Let's go back and do vacation classes in the JHS. Now ye interview omunhwe yentia omuntimi pass Emma University secondary school Emma University no.
Wow.
So in vacation they went. And na ye bana and time combined. Into time in Soko not nipa 50 and our university. Badu nipa 50. Sekwe nipa 50 bana nipa 10. I'm telling you, so it's like na omayno say you to know say, but na omaufo no enim no biensu. But I took it upon myself. So I went to the district director of education. And I was like, what do we do about it? And I was like, onabo waba. I be the pass waba. For the first time my MP aba me office ani. And no my challenges na say director, I'm ready to work with you. Because I can't leadership in the district level. Health and education. These are the two key. Enti mene wo na eba be ye adwuma no. Enti omu ma kwan ya legonfo no ba ye, techfo no ba ye, espolifo. Na ye chiche omu to the remote. When they came, omu we 2-month vacation classes no we no. Na ye tandi omu ba district capital, Edi Metro TV, ebe try. Tell us nyentia nkora no faili. 1, no educational infrastructure. 2, no inadequacy of teachers. 3, no teaching and learning materials. 4, no hope for the children. BC nini himself so we na secondary school, only in secondary school. Inti that's all the bay. So what I did was me maomu 50% scholarship to the university. And I'm institute to free SHS in 2011. 2011.
Free SHS.
Free SHS.
For your constituency.
For my constituency. And I me call run a catcher and say, look, wow, be pass it me do be call. So in 2009, now me yeah say you know, my catch was we were last but one. 2010, we moved to 84.
84.
The whole country.
From she
to 84. 2011, then we moved to 42.
Hey.
I'm telling you, because me befa youth employment teachers 322. Eko che omu mankura no, e jinja omu, e institute best teacher award, e to motorbikes. I did so. Minka, there are things in one day I will write, but maybe.
But this is serious.
Me yeah minka. I normally do not, but the people feel it. Me institute best teacher award, e to 10 motorbikes. Emma the best teachers. My director of education, at 50 bicycles. Institute. We move from last but 1 to 84, then to 42. Then the 4th year, no, NHM, and I'm called Bana. Into me call Banano, in Sokokra, district capital, not Omuni Secondary School.
Wow.
In Sokokra, time district capital, not Omuni Secondary School. So in 2010, I established the Insoko State Senior High. Banana so now Omuni Secondary School. So in 2010, I established Banamine Senior High Technical. And a banana, because education no more passy and conunti. Let me tell you something. I'm telling you something today. Nyame family boniche. Me kofa regional director of education. Say me be secondary school Obana. And no sister dia or kwa kokan Jesus for now mobile banana phone wine. So mudru 120. That is the number aban beje tum. Intim krano sa lie o kai omono. Na me de yakro mu kasa aka say munkambom.
It was for a good cause. It was for a good cause. Because you really wanted the thing to happen.
The thing to happen.
Yeah.
But in natural fact, no, we are 79.
How?
Okay, no, you're 79. Another school ni into. Okay, Mr. Finn, Dr. Finn. Okay, I'm so munkambom. Oh boy, no, now Missy. Okay, no trip also 120 or so. And these are things I did. As you say, Uko and Ramitio, ya post to be wa Kraha or Kobana Senior High.
Oh,
and I say, Uko, last week, me call results were Nano. Obia Trabanama Anya 3 A, 6 A's, 5 A's, 1B. Banamai. Because discipline, teacher, headmaster, no the discipline about Nkrano, Omu Chren Krana Dianga. And I came to Labone Secondary School, on the Labone uniform.
Yeah.
And I made me a Messica, Ebeto Labone Senior High, Omu uniform from Adwa Wangara.
Yeah.
And I met Akula math books, science books, then books were prempe for ne opokunware for you.
What's me the call?
Me turning na the common, me mamu free exercise book, free notebook, free teacher, everything. So we started on a very good note. Now me tria will be school fees. I did it from 2011 to 2015. So these are things I have done. Into about human resource now, into muye no. Me tama ye be Banaman Sinas, me ma assurance into the Sunday school. Nipa 23, omuye the first people to pass in JHS. Me di omo me di be called Sekwa, di be called Susek, e di be called Techiman, e di be called
Bandaneni.
Yes. Into me spread the omo, so they became role models. Into omuba kwa no every parent wanted.
Yeah.
Into uko banasisia BEC we score 100%.
Wow.
BEC. So adiana na 0% no ma fixe amana ba 100%. Obia wie BEC infili. Put that one aside. Senior high no ma establish it. Me establish wie no. Omu wie a, mu wie pe. Mo mbeko nursing training me no mbeko. Mo amobeko university me no mbeko. Mo amopese mo bedwane the security services. I will make sure I push and fix you. Into uko ha. This ama obia
up and a competition
about family. On a year to Makura this time. Me year up to 2011. 2016, 2017, na do buy of 5 free SHS no. And I'm a Then I jumped to the tertiary. This year, 2022 year, me got universities 100, me 60 something, 140, ukabuma 215 tertiary students. What? From Bana, 215 tertiary. These are records I will call district assembly on Sabekau. I'm not sitting here to, and we publish it for everybody to see. For by TV by na yecha. So nipa kotuya mi school fees. Me buy na no medical indigenous we school or bana ako school acquire medical. I took somebody, brought into Prempes College. We and I didn't call who teaching University of Allied. The first indigenous medical student we last year. He said he's practicing.
Bandani.
And I was paying 9,000 something every year for 6 years for him to finish and do medicine. There are a number of them now. About buy physician assistant Otabe school. The school fees is about 11,000 every year. I brought about 4 students there. I paid 11,000 times 4. So 4 years. Physician assistants. We
are Bandafo.
Bandafo indigenous, uncountable. Intiama. So they have now become crusaders. Into omuno muka say no, ye de wie, but omo di echire no. Yen kan mom na say ona bo jazz ya ye hu bechire. Into omuna omoko PK form na mobilize your. I didn't ask them to go and do it.
What?
There is a story, but just say yenka. You don't blow your own trumpet. Into usha edra batwa me mosque say kotwa ba mame. Me jina and in the unlikely events I'm MP, I don't care. If I'm MP, I will still do
what you're supposed to do.
And Sikana I'm one of the MPs I'm in family in Sankano. And one says, you see, I'm my MP be at 10,000. Me control letter, my director of education. 10,000, my way 10, my way 20, my way C, Ukabo ma 10,000. Oh, Nibi, Missumi Nibi. Period. So the records are there. So there has been consistent effort. 2017, yeah, the documents no call Yoko 7 times. But they never invited me.
Because
Yoko for koshe ya no ma kosunya na koshe no ma kwa koshe. But unya say yesi Amedi afasi. Because it was a way of making sure they break down my tongue. But manje bida. So say so moko far forma. These are the reasons. But ya yenka. So when you go there now, the banner then and the banner now. On countable. And now, on my me no work say I catch for me my sponsor been my over me masters 2017 to 2019. But before 2017, na ma been mama omwe masters. Yes, I sacrificed my own and I was sponsoring people to do their masters. Into human resource enye a problem you. As they say, me no say the agenda my be driving school. Ama omwa omunko school no.
Omunso fat scientist.
Ma organize obia be bi o consensus. Me ko fa obi wo Kumasi before 2020. Say on train you mo sa na o MPP ni. Enti obehwe say send the ade no youth na ni age hu no. Oya menya electoral fortunes. Oh national wanye.
Oh,
I'm telling you nti ye to abanwi ena madam for biso no betimi ay am se koye wa ya de no ya training about 114 youth in driving amobia license free
about abroad and kanipa be you
they don't understand ya ka me ko hwe man bisa so MPP and
Debbie o driving develop school, the area for me
to me for 112 students no bana Emma Kumasi and I say okay o cars no for 4 ebre bana baby account wo na NPS kanuntu na training nipa no keke mai oh national okoho okohwe ya ohwe ya the way you to na ni agi o onabo bebo oba e na eno ano nti yetu abawie ya training nipa 112 6 match ya de obia lance driving license emano ya to vis Toyota VC ya to 3 ya to pragia makumba 5 ya to abubu ya bakumba 7
Honorable Ahmed
yes you see I believe me na me a street boy.
I'm getting a lot of text messages even no class what you are LLB school fees
yes
amongst them
I have
amongst them Miami New Kumayi New Brown ni Erikeji o se o tro nyina osu
Because you saw something in him.
Eric is right. On say, Bono, yes, say human resource.
Yes.
The way Eric came to me, and then me want say, I go to him for advice. But that time now, Oba, excuse me to say, maybe I was better than him. But me boy no, and then baby Eric I could school me in Ruho, but I pay his fees.
He's just crying.
Ghana no, if politicians will be faithful and honest to ourselves, or my hand, and I will keep on saying it. Until 2020 elections, on the queue, on my opponent, no Middle Belt Development Authority. That Middle Belt Development Authority, no, on the queue, they give you 250 Ghana cedis to go and vote against Ahmed. But Banafo Jisikano etwa batiao.
But of course, clearly what you have
exactly.
done.
Exactly. That's why the Bible say your deed shall follow you. Into politicians was say yes adibi everywhere. And I mean politics na me no. I didn't come to contest to win. It was a call. Into me who say e your friend. In the area gidi na. Sometimes I give some instance answers. People look at me and say, na why we won nyansan? No man me nyansan be na me. Nyami kasa wo mu a. I say whenever you are asked anything, do not ponder over what to say. But I, the Lord that God who created that mouth, will teach you what to say, which your adversary will have no power to refute.
But on this note, you transfer a Mr. or a Pentecost penny pa. You transfer baby, you never cause Siano. About Danny Yamia Semo, the Koma Bidu. Oh, Yamisha, I think that's the best thing I can tell Yamisha. You continue to exhibit those qualities and say, Ye Nano, it me Efasa and Amontun. But and they teach you party, I addition, and trying to solve some of the challenges, maybe all of us as a country, it was supreme bit me abwa. What continues to be the challenge of your party on matters of limited registration, continuous registration, electoral commission, NIA Ghana card matters? What is the challenge?
Omane, Kambeka say any challenge be because if economics for BBM can all things being equal, all things being equal. Pepe kaya tuaba kaya ne wase ye lose because 2016 with the status quo ye lose 1 million difference. 2020 with the status quo ye lose with 500,000 vote difference. So 2024, why if the status quo should go, why should we be saying say ye maintaining status quo? Kayem bom na Quebec say yenye den yensisano. But the NDC4 can say even though 2016 status quo we lose ye, 2020 ye lose ye. Yemfanko, that is the level playing field. Yemfanko. Electoral Commission say there be or no epese osisa 2016 CI no. Meanwhile, 2016 CI no, uye nsakra kakra wom in 2020. 2024, usi uye free okra the fufra then. Aba. Fufra na udi banon so and there's no level playing field. O mine in the entire American say CI ye di to aba 2016, your friend CI 91. CI 91 no ema eligibility criteria say obi epese otro ni din eto aba akwanya owo ni no ama e wo say o provide edi ni ho adanse say o man hene eye Ghana ni ndi say ukọ CI 91 no ma ama a tablet sa criteria no CI 91 no ni say oba CI 91 or say obia a person who applies for registration as a voter shall provide as evidence of registration identification one of the following: A passport, B a driver's license, C a national identification card, which is the Ghana card, D an existing voter registration card, or one voter registration identification guarantee, that's the guarantor system. A normal norm. Inti when CI yedi to about 2016 ye lose 1 million difference. 2020 Jemen Sabai 2020 because of Abu Ramadan case now, Supreme Court can say, untimi fa driver's license, any voter's ID card, any normal income. Nemo yenyin free mnaenka Ghanaian passport, Ghana card, and the guarantor system. And non Supreme Court no this our ruling no buy no. And I mentioned the CI 126 we buy. In the CI 126 we no, and no amend CI 91 we.
Ebejina 91 na name.
Ebesisa sakra portion kakra bi wo. And now can new one na mentioned the buy the 2020 elections. Or say a person who applies for registration as a voter shall provide as evidence of identification one of the following. A passport.
Okay.
B, a national identification card issued by the National Identification Authority. Or C, one voter registration identification guarantee form as set out in the regulations of the DC. Ente 2020 abato na ye koto ye 2 year no. Obi a no kra passport bia ye manakwanya manechuro ni din. Obi a no kra Ghana card ye manakwanya manechuro ni din. Obi a oni passport a oni Ghana card ye manakwanya ma obi a wachuro ni din a we relative edi adanse ye man. Inti wey na ewo mu a ye di to aba 2020. Ye di wey to aba ye lusu 500 million. All things being equal. Say way NMA ye lusu ya. NSN can 2025 ye be lusu. But NDC in cancer. You see, even though when NMA ye lusu 2020 about ye fanko. Jemensa say or no besisa way. Na we yi wa Ghanaian passport no. Enti o man hene kura ni passport when no diko America diko UK kura na. Ontimi mfa endi no ho dance ye say. Me o man here me ye Ghana ni mama kwanya na minchiro mi din. O man here eni Ghana kada ye mo kwan ma unchiro din ento aba. Na guarantor system na Supreme Court si ye nyintum. Passport na Supreme Court si ye nyintum no. Je mensa si ompre.
O se di entia, o se it's been abused and as the.
They all can say amanonifo bi wo ha omunye Ghana fo a awo no a awo bi omunye Ghana fo a omukura Ghana passport na o man say sa na wo card ya ye wa wo a omunye Ghana fo omukura Ghana card
say no match say non-Ghanaian Ghana card no
baby o man let me tell you Ghana card no a profit oriented venture a public private partnership activity a ankran bi e no ne aban aka bom e no mu ye Ghana card no and na Ghana card buy ye ho no ono di adanse say yes wa bie premium centers a utua 250 cedis ye mo wa kwanya ma ochuro bi na obubo ba bia saa akwanya no wono eye takrade MPP ne holdu koforudua MPP ne holdu e na akra
e ho nkwa na saa premium
tamale bi ni ho NDC ne holdu Cape Coast bi ni ho NDC ne holdu wa e bi ni ho NDC ne holdu Boliga ebini ho NDC ne holdu. But as at 1st July last year, ukota kradia ukra 250cc na ya printer amount instant. Uko koforudua instant. Uba Accra instant. Now omahene, let's face fact. Is there a level playing field? Put that one aside.
But all Michelle, as now we proceeding no. Accra, Takrade, Kumasi
Kumasi krampo no wa mo Kumasi wo.
So omu kire mu die nti asa mmea ho no na omu timi di sa system de.
Oman eno nti na ye ka se ye ni me person make say ye ni gidie ewo mu because public private ankran na open sika profit oriented o. Se wo ni aban ebom se mu ye adwuma se wo de fa so na ope aban de deliver public good e no no pe enti sa into ube trawa ma onfa so na bo that is it enti the year can say ye kosu ka say ye be Ghana card no the sole qualification for identification the operational independence of the electoral commission will be compromised. NDC for ha omo pe Ghana card no bi ma restricted and the ma NDC for ebufu nra ne say obia ko ne mpeso aso a Oka call Ghana card officer me per data to do a more register. They are reluctant to release it in Osiko region.
Ah.
Yes.
Won't be in check any part
of the data no mau. The Omeka say go to region. So it's like the transparency is not there.
Why are they resisting that attempt? And why?
And no na year in this for Kase. For the past 1 year, since July, Ghana card for no bar parliament no almost say aband the Omuka $117 million. Who converted $117 million into Ghana cedis? Converted by 13 cedis per dollar. A $1.521 billion Ghana cedis. Enti aband the Omuka 1.521 billion Ghana cedis. Ontmintuya. And nonte omusu edidi amount for ka. Into ko Ghana card office. Baby, mimi ho say ye twa omu lighting. NI light ye twa omu lighting nti no muti so mo ntimi nya adwuma. It took time and sana DC ekomo omu sika mo to credit. Credito. So there are serious challenges ye ka mimi ho na banana maker no. Upa wi akobana NIA officer ye twa omu light mo no when e koto credit mo. It was the DCE for Banda. So these are the operational challenges are omu baby wo honso a omu ni 4G, baby omu ni 3G. They are still using 2G. Baby wo internet no kura bi ni ho kura. So these are omu serious real technical and operational challenges. So what we are saying is a dry letter commission by or say abana ye 2 no 2020 no. Nepa 10 million and they use Ghana card a register out of 17 million registered voters. And they said 10 million and they did Ghana card a register ya. Nature say at that time no say yeah and say wow we Ghana card yeah Mount Rodia we could have disenfranchised about 7 million.
A lot of people.
Put that one aside. In this sense, and as they say they all can say Ghana card before say Omar register about 17 million Ghanaians. Omar Unim say yeah population census we Ghana for be briba say me yankai. So 31.31 million na ye use no kra no. Say o can say ube real country it will be more than that. Exactly. 2020 electoral commission by parliament can say obe register 15 million Ghanaians into obe new voters register. At that time na your voters register no 16 million. Also, 13 or 14 million per 2016 elections.
Yeah.
Or say around 14 million. Until one of them says they can say ye kono pa 13, 14. They can say kono pa or bet me register 15, 16 million.
Or the time crowd too.
Or the time too. Ye register ye 17 million. So which means wow estimation in 2020 about it was over 1 million. Say uka say ukwa trading I'm telling you 2024 the real numbers are Ghana for ebe trading ebe buy a voters register mo will be about 20 million. In the say ukra 17 million Ghana card registrants it is not sufficient and yet enough evidence say by 2020 say nipa 20 million and a betro dia to abakura na obi abenya Ghana card
impossible.
It's impossible. Put that one aside. O man baby aye way. E ma yanko kreti. Unfa mimiti mi sekoto. Me ba no miti air condition car mu. Me ko mi ko tran air condition office. So that doesn't mean say that is how every Ghanaian is feeling
or living.
There are serious challenges in this economy. E was a NDC ni MPP. Ye jai sa normal way na ye fix it. Ye were 5 major tax bills budget ye passing in 2020 no. Say yam pass 2023. Yam pass sa tax bills who economics, who finance minister, you will not get credibility to go to IMF board approval. You are not speaking about that. What jai na wabet now? And we've given assurance 80 million.
That's the finance minister.
That's the finance minister. Let me show you these people, are they serious about the plight of Ghanaians? So, can say, were growth and sustainability bill to pass. Your excise bill to pass. Your Ghana Revenue Authority Amendment Bill to pass.
These are very important bills.
They are very
important bills.
They are tied to the IMF deal.
So the concentration and
the concentration should be there. You more 4 years. Say be president. Nama Ghana for think about fixing the economy and the security situation.
Not elections.
Not elections. In this say, ya can't be mamin can be a mamon ya jaya to and a year barbeka ya jai economy not to and a year barbeka. So why are we voted for? Let me tell you, the last thing every government will do to prove your credibility, integrity, and sovereignty is to touch individual bondholders, pension fund, and even treasury bill. And that treasury bill is at the interest rate of over 35%. Still, Ghanaians don't have confidence. People don't have confidence. They are now coming for it. In the moment, transi any economic dialogue. How do we bring this economy back? Yajai, ya more 4 years. Where the 2 years? 2 years money away. You are thinking about the next 2 years. As if say Ghana exists just for elections. Inti yen baby ya jinani say look, put this one. So see who was Ghana. $117 million now a 1.152 billion Ghana cedis. Fakoma NI. Let them do mass registration. Now, enquire say premium card holders no. And a bit me. O my no sorry na. Uko wa na wako instant. We are creating an urbanized voters register.
That is at the detriment of us as a country.
Now, you free say, Kriafone, Kokwe, Kriafona.
You are cutting them off.
You are cutting them off. Even the right to vote. So we are creating two classes of Ghanaians, the poor and the rich.
But there's an assurance by the Electoral Commission. They say, "Omunye bibia ebeyo si akwai, ama Ghana ni ause fata se ochuru udino untimi churo." That is an assurance of the Commission.
Okay, say Ministry of Communication eba out. Say wa wune Ghana card. Ye ma wa kwanya. E ma un register SIM card. Omayene, let me tell you. Omukoya no bangi no successful. Because obi owo sika wo bangi bia no obetimi akwa akotua 2.5 250 Ghana cedis age ne Ghana card. Enti omukoya ne bangi no successful. By omukoya no SIM card no anya successful. So they omu fix it first day deadline 1 meeting. Second deadline 1 meeting. Third deadline 1 meeting. Fourth 1 meeting. Into wasan fix it 5th deadline. O man into bet me a safety election date sir.
Debbie,
you don't have the luxury of time. Into my communication for nye, my bangi for nye, even communication for no kran o man here ukwa ekrasia. Kwiani bi wo ho a 3210 phone no use o. E na ya to cheap atum. Phone na nkasa o use no oto no 40 Ghana cedis. Bi ho 30 Ghana cedis. E na wakoto cheap no 5 Ghana cedis. E na odi atum. Enti u convert ya 45 Ghana cedis. Endru 250 na obi di akoji Ghana card no. So now say I'm blocking you because you don't have Ghana card to register your SIM card. So okasa ope Ghana card na oti 40 kilometers or 80 kilometers away from his own town. Sika odi faka akwa the district capital. Akwa register for Ghana card. And those who change the phone number.
Another major problem.
So you are cutting people off. So that digital inclusion now, where you from?
Do they know Commissioner Fonne and do they know this? Because I remember some of the arguments everybody say, "Oko yinko na sia baby ba kope." And they say, "Na yemfifi epru any ato any atifi man temo mba betro sa embe registration or yes suggesting mo say, "Ana mo yan say ekoto aba, ye biebie mia bebre no bia timi akoto na bibie ekono." Why are we not really talking about this? Because the truth is that Maka Ekosi says to say the position by your party, even though sometimes because there are spillovers overboard, but Abobia the Nibrena Eka. and a battle also na yekoto. If we want to be very fair, transparent, and objective, these matters should not take us days, months, and years. So, what is the position of the NIA in the assurance that the 3.5 MBG any year as you see a Cocorana, a cop premium service or prestige service now, your card no. What is the assurance? Yeah, they can't change me and as they can't change my. Which one is which? Because finance minister promises what you are.
There be also what we are 1.5 billion, what we are 100 million.
Oh, there be.
If you are 1.4 billion.
What? So what you has 100?
100 million. In Taka 1.4 billion. 1.421 billion. Sana okatre
No. Are you sure about the figure?
Yes. Osi wa 40 million.
It's a billion and aka you one as a
1.5 billion.
And make us what you 1 billion. And
there be what you 100 million. 100 million ukra e the release letter no dia momo. Into munsa nyanka sa 100 million ukra. So in totality odiomuka 1.521 billion. Because ye the warrant ye ka say amount warrant letter. It is send a bank actual check amount. Afe na ukodru bank wo. Set bank be credit to account on credit to account. Controller be credit to. A bank na e be credit to your front controller. Set controller be credit to account on credit to account is over. Inti enro be kind unsa two forcing the minority leader a true challenge man say udi Ghana card. Unsa enro and opane word peoples. Ente oba parliament na was say ye confirm. E na two forcing bisa say udi Ghana card for 1.17 billion dollars. Is it true or false? Or say it true? What we are saying, or say wama omu 100 million Ghana cedis. Into convert 1.17 into by 30 na a 1.521 billion Ghana cedis. It is a what we are 100 million. Aka 1.421 billion Ghana cedis. How are you going to pay this? Almost say omu payment plan. What if the payment plan fails? Baby, are you way? Even salaries. Paying salaries, ye bobusia ene etua salaries. Enti se da wanya busian untumi ntua salaries. Na ye ka se ye bobusia na etua salaries a every month bia se aban to treasury bills. Treasury bills do a ye to nyina ye na aban a jiska e dia kwatua salaries. So you don't have the money. Na oman in the year can say what me I register even 17 million. Take it that it is true. Why don't you allow the current system to go? Ukope enuka ababeto unso na a bedroom rebu Ghana card for the unsa sheboasi wia no market say ye 1.4 billion na aka no one farm ya ye ntimi nje magana ni bia nya card. Sa time no na ya passing bra we you. So
passing we so we are no hwenye you.
That's it. Enu na ye ka se sa dia ene ye bi ato force say the aban no eka no se wo se wo betimi aya ye ni nyina ewie na Ghana ni bia nya ne card wo ye wie utua sika no wie aya nya ne sika ure omuko register wie na Ghana ni bia nya ne card come to us say enuanom honorable members now I've released the money. Ghana card has distributed the cards. Everybody has his card. Samranu bra udimranu ba obia nkasa wo ho ye be pass am. This because you yourself you don't have confidence say ade no betumi aye nti wo say yem passing mra no entwen ansa na wakoye adwuma no I
see.
Putting the car before the horse or the horse before the cart when you na wo kire school na de me ya ne say ye the journalist echo ka politicians who are on na or punish journalists for no ye the NGO civil society ni eko ka amanyofo ho a o na punish NGO for no oni say Jemensa no ka IE for
yeah
electoral reforms are no mu ye na Jemensa ka ho IE Institute of Economic Affairs ukai presidential dialogue enyo mu na so what has changed ne Jemensa abeye electoral commissioner chairperson or see oba abeye electoral reforms she doesn't need IE, she doesn't need CDD. On here IE, on here CDD, on here Imani Ghana, on here Freddie Heber Foundation, on here even political parties. Ukai IEA, no much letter. Emma NDC, Emma CPP, Emma PNC, Emma MPP. No munyina haba. Yes, you IEA lectures. Professor Kwesi Jonah na political parties na ba.
Ukai
domestic violence bill.
Yeah.
year for Croyao and a partner with political parties and almost over here.
So what has
so intimation di
and I'm opposition here so entrenched. When you're ready, some dialogue one.
On my oba subsidiary legislation committee and no more catchers say yana ya manufo. Yana any grassroots no edili. Ye call ye mpeso so me bana open pa more passport to bana. O my omunru 1,000 munru. Open more Ghana card. Omunru or the report or the buy or see what register 20,000. What distribute to 12,000. In the 8,000 casa. Nipa 8,000 and no more register munya mukas. Now, you will half of the population. This are not could also for 4 hours. They omukra do also chain. Yena you assassin. Those over banks. What effort are you making to make sure say they have their Ghana card?
Okay.
Oma you know kai ye to aba muka say omunye Ghana for no. Agna for nye Ghana for e bana wono. Exactly. So this is a clear akwanya ben no dia mo say omumba and they are holding the Ghanaian economy. Omuna omuyi nam e wo nsuo no. Na man for the
LTO say
there be omu yusu Basisa every Friday, Thursday. Eko fa nam no eba. Nipa brese their contribution to GDP cannot be overemphasized. Now osi akwanya keke a obenya atu anbano.
Okay, so a lot of your text messages here, but maybe a certain clarity will do. Mame, yeah, in Kinkaya, Mame, same your parliament. We are not if that is really the situation or there's another fear to that. Mr. Speaker, I wish to emphasize that the Ghana card will not be used to vote in the 2024 elections. The Ghana card is only a requirement to register as a voter. And once you present your Ghana card and successfully register as a voter, you will be issued with a voter identification card which bears the code of your region, your district, your electoral area, and the name of your polling station. The Ghana card does not have these features, and therefore, it will not be used to vote in the 2024 general elections. This is the Electoral Commissioner talking to us.
My main kind the Electoral Commission. On say, on one case did the statement in the bar parliament no. Or to one statement no buano for. Inti otuwa no chuchebim.
Parliament no.
Any inti ni statement ni presentation ni. You see, presentation by Mrs. J. Mensah, chairperson of the Electoral Commission of Ghana to Parliament on the continuous voter registration CI on Tuesday, 28 February 2023 at 1 p.m. Inti odi buy no. Na wa hu said paragraphs bi wo mu a eni anamo na oto no emachi inti oti wona eni oman na mi wi a me de be ma oti wona enti when na ato force in kotu ya
parliament no yi we ni
parliament wona na otwetwam because o kan we ya na che say ono anim say de o ye ni nye e na otwetwam na ato force eduru say ato force e kasa no e na obie ho e no because one
no mo twetwo onu na kasa mo mpe ho no
eno na ato force in kotu ya che mensa e bisa ni say na wow nim say my minister statement or dia by sa two paragraphs watwam identity na say wo kan you see or say we expect all players
we expect all the players in the electoral process including political parties to encourage all those who do not have a Ghana card to visit the offices of the National Identification Authority and register for the Ghana card after which they can register with the Electoral Commission to enable them but that is not what is here.
I'm not when not the buy report na me dia manya coat of arms na wo.
So that which they can register with the Electoral Commission to enable them vote.
Na kan second one
2023
election. Second one so otwa mu so kan.
Also, we call on the NIA to accelerate the pace of the printing of the Ghana cards to make it easy for anyone who is interested in registering with us to do so. But Ghana card, you find a way in if you say the features of Ghana card, no crano, any certain a year. Then you are coming here with your own statement, if that is the case, to do this.
You see?
No, are we sure this is what came to Parliament?
Me say when or the man, you can say the statement no lack credibility. Or no one so lack credibility. Ghana card for lack credibility. Why do you dent yourself? The what you show me on one or you court of answer ne was no. Ni statement. And they are to force in sorry. On sendra can we na your institute say hona or mun distribute. And in that way no untimi ko edit na odi aba. Enti owie na no mugie hona no mugie copies. E distribute my MP bi anya bi. Enti we uchenye enye. Enti ye copies na.
We change it yedin.
On change it.
The records. House of Records.
We na beba your hands out.
No, House of Records. One kasa for the records. Wa catch now say we ni mean to me. The only challenge is that you don't appear before House of Records not fully prepared and come like this. That's the danger. Because if you ask questions from this, onye eboni.
And no, not to force in here.
If you ask questions, no.
Why do you read it?
No.
And I send your can see it.
If you ask questions from this, it means that this is the original intent.
Exactly. Omanyere nyame nhyira wo ye panyina mpa.
Ye kwaba. Nye panyina me ye. O me hye Pentecost ntia. Ye kwaba ye ba ha. Ye be di ye kwaba. Well, Yasaba back, my cameraman on Hong Kong, South Africa, Buddha. Osha jacket, I was free India neighbor. I'm very wadum Obukobi. Why? I will see there's a cow corner for near Chisarabi be yo. You know, I'm one my henny. Yakonana, Wadaro, my main sema or Yako, when you bush your phone, Yaka said, I'm one my hima, I owe my me precope. Erade Aton Safreno. CPC, former CPC. Nana Wadarma this weekend Okumasi, Asante Mantema Mama, Eba Betaiwachi, na Akokata Abrewasu. Kama. Wow, Nimni Biansuno, O Mano shedding, and the Yako Kasiepa. We are back. Ira Ahmed, and I want to say Ibrahim, Banda Mrashibebeni. If you miss out a lot of things, and I work about the constituency and the ecosu and Abidjan, the national character of Ghana. Ghana, the Electoral Commission, National Identification Authority, and then that of the NDC on matters of Ghana card, continuous registration, limited registration, and all those things. Or the only the minorities' position on this matter. As a matter of fact, the NDC's position on this matter. And Atubra. But I also be award in Sheba community. Maybe. Simaka Krebe more much but ye be run a party in Moankasa. Now then we wrap up on that. Appear Stadium say Buano. The position of the NDC which say young for Ghana card never twaba and I didn't never twaba. Umbeso because that's a young baby bisa.
Menu appear. We dear Michelle Bosse and by 10 o'clock. NDC for your official position no yede betudwa ba essence wa bisa no Badwam ninti me di kan ayu sitre say game fa Ghana card no ento aba enye na de beto aba na electoral commission na kasa yem fa eno ento aba.
Okay, so Mamen Sankin, so that we all get it straight until it changes. This is the position of the Electoral Commission. Mr. Speaker, I wish to emphasize that the Ghana card will not be used to vote in the 2024 elections. The Ghana card is only a requirement to register as a voter. Once you present your Ghana card and successfully register as a voter, you will be issued with a voter's identification card, which bears the code of your region, your district, your electoral area, and the name of your polling station. The Ghana card does not have these features, and therefore it will not be used to vote in the 2024 general elections. But Adabraka, to Obuasi, Susuma Otimunya or the CCR, because a yakwantu a yetu. Sa kwantu na NDC for person would have fine term. Se muda ho fine term no mo say eno me di adanse nyina chese Ghana card e gina brand na ye nyina ya tia say betimi dey one of the identities for us to vote with her. You know, that is the conversation the NDC is having. Apart from that, the status quo remains. In the honey agency say, pay what the Electoral Commission through its commissioner, Akokan a year, and then again appeal to the Finance Ministry. Say, when you see Kama Price Water Coopers for a year, a check it, say the modern body mojuma is so an idiot. Munyasika, our Brasim, Namufama NIA4. Because if it's 1.3 something billion, and we are paying 100 million.
1.521 billion.
Yeah, we are paying 100 million.
We are paying only 100.
You cook now they assume. If I'm a supplier, definitely it will not encourage me to get to that. It's a supplier and I phone number 12 mojumaso. We are back. We are wrapping up on NDC and matters arising. John Mahama, the former president, Dr. Dufo, former governor Bank of Ghana, former finance minister, Yera Kojubonsu, who happens to be former KMA mayor and a sports activist, Waruna Anna Kobia, I think so. Owner agent as a Francato former the NDC. Unfortunately, for the three competitors now, almost 99% of people who are voting in the NDC are presumptive leader. And that's the former president, John Dramani Mahama. The only question you can ask this morning is, say, really, is that democracy? Is that fair? Acceptability on the part of Ghanaians? Oh, just wrap up with these ones.
Mine me research be, but me
yeah.
Mama President Mama Belanchi in the campaign.
Yeah.
Ya wada be.
Voter. Yes.
Na ebanisa I was say research be na kasa wo. Na why research na nanka wa
John Mama very strategic voter region.
No kwasem ni se wo hwe contest na ye kona. Met me aka say afutu amede be ma President Mama and say o mayem focus on the 2024. As for primaries, there's no contest. There's no contest.
What is the road you need? Solomon Cancer.
Oh, there's no contest. Road what we no crowd on me so. There ko lady obi campaign man abi.
What's the idea this come but after from exam 0302 211701 equals 4 0302 211701 equals 4. Mr. Be within the conversation, Mr. Oba.
Ushe what we no road on me so. Nti ozo gaze no na be ye. And as ushe candidates na wona. Mesre esa bro no mo peso mudi. Se nya bro ka obi en kofa form say or contest President Mahama in these coming elections. And as I say, nipa na individually, ye nipa na omone ne kono individual research. But me gidi say ya wada no, ye de betu dwa.
Na no nipa za.
No kra na ye kan. Wo hwe somebody like o person be the president. E was say wo da so da ye na oto ho anamo. Omu bia no wa waye sa adima no.
Bia na so da.
Debi.
Eye pum.
When President Dufo flag bearer Kobna Dufo. On say no a finance minister.
Yeah.
No a governor.
Yeah.
Did you ever thought say obe dance that say o piki form so be president?
Ashavel match question me yaro da. Ashavel match.
Wa hono NDC campaign muda. Tell me. Since Kobna Dufo.
So shechiri no ye.
Baby, no unko shechiri where? Flag bearer and shechiri.
Ashavel match. Hello Ashavel. Oh, yeah, Ashavel and Kat. Mama Fasa Quenya was in chair. Rapti, who was also Bachao. Join us building the Ghana We Want Together campaign launch of John Dramani.
Yes, the Ghana we want.
The Ghana na me no yepeno. John Dramani Mama show they bring. And it's 9 a.m. on Thursday, 2nd March 2023. University of Allied Science.
Yes. Yeah, be.
Debbie. Ghana.
Who na ye be?
Ghana Daroma na mo penso mo.
Say we no mo Central University. Ombai no mo go mu bank.
Ashaven morning.
Morning, am what for me there?
Boko, Ashaven so the NDC achiache o.
Oh, am I in Sawa when it's on na one with credit. Ya dia chisa. My company, ya me beto.
Ame.
Yeah. My name is Makumani, my mentor of the Bibia, the Bibia Coco Drubia, Mova Jumapa. na when your parliament here time she said chapter 10 and 20 no man in a question maybe sir ya ma mi je me san say and to coin bia so chinchina our post office register na 2020 o ka say credible I read to about say we say chinchina yan san koya for na because den ma me ti again say over limit registration say ya na me on about studio say be say no sense say be ko ti ya mo bi firi ne kwa wo do ma we to the same thing adiwe ya kwa say
so asabide ye wo de wo hadwe ya ka say register for eye to ba wo MP abetina ka NDC how what is all ka say register for kojo ma chi
when you just over
kojo pa wasem na fi honorable wrap up
o ma hene anope die me de nchake sie pa ne abasobo ne ma MP or Bandai Ahmed Ibrahim o ma hene in some papa na kan che so you be a ye de Ghana crash and say obi to edi so one man constituency is so attractive. I'm not talking from any political.
We are
considering Nipane and Nyoma Waye. The MPP in America say, but I can tell you, sir, the papa most NPP MPs are on my buying a wood to me, crying to me at the iron. Yamishrano, Amen.
Anyway, strategies, man, I'm telling you, I was more fun as Sadaka Krama because Banda Honoma, I'm question within 8 days and some PF Wabano. I'm on Kaime Kakra. So, all right, that's a one strategize. You miss my strategy.
My name is
Baba, that Alex. Hey, and then what she end this for Papa, who makes you.
Yeah, fire who are doing oh, my one of I was up you. Honorable, and of pay. I want you, my dear Cassiamo. The best honorable, or more money. Na Ghana hano udi agura e betwa pupu afo atiko e dia wewo na about why kon 2024 ne de Ghana fo na esu say this yemra maji omo enti say yatimi anye wo ma ya Ghana fo mfa ye bone ncheye yankopon ko sinshira mu nyina.
Okay, that's it. So for my mejewa wo agrek wa mase o ma meda from na hwe wi o efijase I think so. So for mame so shedina yako anafi alice kupinsu ya chiao rich so audio be by unfortunately ain't more horrible. The good thing is that when you're in shroud,
amen.
Now this mindset of yours, no, you know, you pick it up. Now I'm watching to Melbourne. Now Banda for so there's a Muankasa, what the Monsa left eventually Mukuru Quine there after all this there. What Obianka said, and Medasi anytime I told several girls who died there, yeah, when you're in Kahopa. Amen. 10 o'clock, breaking news. How do as they talk to Ghanaians at exactly 10. We don't mind the community and the entire team, led by cameraman Osha Jaketa, South Africa Crown Corda. When you mean I do about July.
TV Maya do.
Yeah, that's it. So on the wings of World Kofi and Pedro Dominic is here about Dachi Telma, I guess. Camera, sound, lighting. Makeup artists, drivers, set designers, control for Adobe Biasi. Let me admit.